Tasty.
Oh, hello. Snap those fingers.
No.
Every time,
no,
myself.
not him again.
I spank myself. I spank myself. I spank myself. I spank myself.
Welcome, everybody. Nice sweater. Thank you very much. Also, Wolfie, do you still want that question? I completely forgot. Anyway, hi, everyone. It's been a day. It's been alright today, actually. I've got a bit of a cold. I've got my Christmas jumper on. We're doing games. I don't know what we're doing, but we're doing stuff. How's everyone doing? All right, Wolfie, new or old book, and we'll do that for you now. New book. Okay. All right. Wolfie, say stop when you want me to stop. It's a dance with a book. Stop. Okay, that's your answer. Okay, we'll do that in a second. You were buying a horse, weren't you? That's right. Should Wolfie buy a horse? Totally not a house. Look, chat, the gift cards are starting. Look, they're starting. Look. Starting on the board. Exciting times. Also, I fixed my camera. Grumpy 42, let's go. That's another gift card. Oh, it was my list. Gift
Grumpy Gammon just
tags.
resubscribed for 42 months at tier 1.
Excellent.
In other news, 42.
In other news, hi everyone. Okay, first of all, I don't know why, but my mic seems to be doing a thing. Pingu over 40 months. Yeah, so...
Pingu_pity just resubscribed for 40 months at tier 2. Just gotta love a Warwick stream, they are so much fun.
I mean,
anyway, 40
maybe.
months are so much fun.
Maybe.
I dare anyone to be more fun on streams. Anyway, let's wrap this message with a bow, ribbon emoji.
Oh, what a nice message, Pinky. Thank you much for the 40 months. Appreciate it. And Grubby, thank you for the 42 months as well. We got stuff to sort out in a second. Anyway, hi everyone. Right, so my mic, how does it sound? Like legit? Does it sound okay? Because it seems like it's picking up more background noise than it normally does, which is slightly annoying, but I haven't got time to sort it out. So hopefully it's fine. Hopefully it's fine. Pingo, I love the puns. Thank you. It sounds okay. Okay, cool. But it feels like it's picking up more background noise than it should be, considering that I've got settings to make it that not so. Which might be why we were hearing more stuff than usual on Monday. But if it sounds fine, then we'll just put up with it, I guess. But anyway, if it sounds okay. If you've got the music in the background, hopefully it's not too bad. But anyway, hi everyone. How's it going? Happy Saturday. It's been a while because I was meant to stream Thursday. Took a day off because I wanted to catch up with stuff, which I did. And then yesterday we had to cancel the meme stream because a couple of people couldn't make it. So that will be happening, I think, next week. No, that's the thing. You're not hearing more of me, Grumpy. As sweet as you are, thank you. I will take more compliments. But it seems to be picking up more background noise. And I'm not sure why. Because I've got a setting on my wavelength to cancel background noise. But I guess it's like, nah. Anyway, if it sounds fine, then we'll persevere. Yay! Welcome, everybody. But yeah, we're gaming. We're doing stuff. But how's everyone doing? I've got my Christmas jumper on. It's Christmas. We've got a little Christmas tree on it. There you go, Christmas. This is one that I got last year, which I don't wear often because it's only Christmas. But yeah, we're wearing it. But also, it's fucking cold. It's currently 9 Celsius. That's a lie. That's a lie, and you know it. Anyway, Wolfie asked a question on Monday, which I completely missed, and then I asked, and then they were lurking. So Wolfie asked not to buy a horse, but to buy. Should they buy a house? Was it should you buy a house? Was it should you buy a house or will you buy a house, or both, or neither? Or was it a horse? Yes. Okay. So should you buy a house? Okay. And Wolfie has asked the new book, which is the Oracle Book of Answers. I'm going to ask the book. So, Wolfie has asked, should they buy a house, not a horse? Although, I might ask you if we buy a horse. Anyway, the answer is...
I feel so down I can barely even bring myself to follow the
Wow.
arrow that's pointing towards the smoothie
Isn't
bar.
that a very thoughtful answer? Gather more information before making a decision. Well, there we go. There we go. It doesn't really help much, but it's very good advice saying, oh yeah, gather more information before making a decision. As in, do you have money? Yes. Do you want more money? Yes. That's really good information. Well, good. Well done. Yeah. Oh, that's it. That's a good point. That's a good point. Just to go. If it includes a horse. There we go. Any higher chat. But anyway, welcome in. Wolfie should get hippopotamus for Christmas. Are you able to buy them? Don't answer that question. Anyway, let me make a list. Check out twice. So 6th of December. Let's get some gift tags done. Let's get this done as soon as rather than later. Right, so Grumpy, you resubbed. One-time resub. Pingu was a resub. And yes, excellent. Also got some other things to do as well. Hang on, did we do the Mariah Carey, Chris? Oh, by the way, Mariah Carey Xmas sing-along popped into stream. So if you don't know, during December, I think we got a tag for it. We got a gift tag. There we go. During December, if you subscribe any amount, you get like a gift tag with your name on it, which goes on the board there. Hopefully we'll fill it up by the end of December. And some of you decided to gift it to Mariah Carey. And while the actual Mariah Carey didn't turn up in stream, unfortunately, which is very sad. Very sad. I know, it's devastating. The Mariah Carey Xmas sing-along did. But they followed me back. And then they did the balls emote in chat after stream. So she has found me. But yes, so I might see if she turns up in stream over December. She might do. And then she get a gift tag. Anyway, we're going to join Root in a second and play some games. We adore Root. Let me just shout out for Root. Are they underscore on Twitch? Can we, like... Root, where's your Twitch not even in your fucking Discord? Is it? I think it's going to be underscore. Let's do underscore. It is underscore. There we go. And so it began. Yes, it began a long time ago. Anyway, also, there are some gift tags that happened on last Saturday, which we will be doing now. So, here's the gift tag. Also, hi everyone. Sorry, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for being here, chat. I had to turn it uncomfortably loud to hear background moving and creaking. Oh, did you? Oh, okay. So at least it's not audible. Okay, that's fine. I might still look at it over the weekend when I get a chance, but at least it's not audible. I mean, like, when I'm not saying anything. Hang on. Let me actually... I can show you, actually, chat. I can show you. There we go. Yeah. If I don't say anything... It shouldn't be doing that. Like, in red, that's fine. That's good. That's all good. I've got it technically a bit higher. Oh, everything's just frozen. Oh, my camera just froze. That was interesting. Okay. Interesting. All right. But yeah, when I'm not saying anything... That shouldn't be happening. So I'm not sure what is doing that. But anyway... It's only, what, in like minus 30 decibels, so it shouldn't be that audible unless you have to turn it really high. So thankfully, it shouldn't be too bad. And I think with the music, it shouldn't be too bad. But I still want to sort it out because I'm like, I have a thing to stop that happening, and it's not, you know? But anyway, welcome everybody. Welcome in. Drag, Wolfie, Bite Bitten, Ems. Excuse me, Grumpy, Drag, Pingu, Panda, Hun, Medorial, see you soon. Jessica, welcome in. We got a Kudos welcome in. He always does that for me, but I think that's just the cats being like elephants. That's the thing, I don't have any cats in the background. All I have is my PC. My PC's not that loud. No other things on. It's normally like sometimes that happens with my fans on, but I haven't got my fans on because it's quite cold at the moment. So, but anyway, I can now hear quite loud bass noise in real life. So now I definitely can't hear it. Okay, that's fine. As long as you can't hear it, that's fine. But also, did you see my camera when I started it up earlier? If you didn't see it, this is what it looked like. When I loaded up my camera. That was my camera. Which technically makes a good thumbnail because it's technically what I'm wearing. But yeah, I loaded up my camera and my camera like, now I'm good. Now we're good. I'm like, all right, cool. Bet. Everything else is working, as you can see, around it. But yeah, it's a new face warp. It was starting to work. I was about to take a screenshot and my camera went, nah. I was like, all right, cool, sweet. Love that for me. Plot twist, that's how your room actually looks like in real life. Yeah, that's how I live my life every day. Anyway, we're going to join Root quickly, shortly. But before we do, I've got gift tags to get through because some of you are here from last Saturday and also today. So, don't know, gift tags. Every sub, get a name on your tag, blah, blah, blah. I have a list. I think I've messed it up, but it's fine. Right, let's start from the very top. Bite Bitten. Step right up. You got 2. You have 2. Because you did 5 gifted on Saturday, last Saturday, because I'm counting last Saturdays, and also you resubscribed. So you have 2. So if you are in chat, I know, right? Anyway, right. What do you want to do first, the 5 or the resub? Where did I put the resubs? Oh, I put them there. 5. Okay, we'll do 5 first. Okay, so 5. Also, there's some prizes attached to them as well. You might be lucky. So. How many have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 9. Hello, Elijah. So between 1 and 9, pick your number, Bite.
Oh, look. It's a duck.
Between 1 and 9, pick your number for the first one.
Quack.
Because these aren't in the box. I might do a box for next time, but I haven't done another box yet. So between 1 and 9. D20. Give it a second. Give it a second. That's really funny. Right. 14. Okay, cool. Right, give it a second. That's fine. That's cool. Love this, that. Love that. That's fine. Cool. Don't roll full Bite. Let Bite roll. Let Bite. Go on, Bite. Go for it. Unless you want that 5. Hello, Chan, by the way. All right. Bite's back in jail again. Okay, cool. This is fantastic. All right. Okay. You're in jail. All right. Okay. 4. Do 4. Just do 4. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your 4th one. It's got little 3 characters on it, and no prize on top. But that's your gift card. So that's for you, Bite. Well done. Well done. Now, that's your one. So let me write that down before I forget. I mean, what I forget is the incarnate of me. So Bite Bitten. How is everyone Christmas going on so far, by the way? Times 5. There we go. Sweet. Okay, that one's done. Beautiful. Right, next, you have a box. Say stop when you... Oh, there's pins in there. Oh, there we go. Say stop when you want me to stop, Bite. Just say stop when you want to stop. Sorry for the noise. I'm going to mute myself while I do this. Bite. And for your resub, you have Melody. No price. But you did get a gift card, so there we go. How nice. Anyway, bye, babe. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate that. Right, Rob O'Face, are you in chat? You don't normally get check out streams because of... Oh, just freaking mark on my... Oh, it's fine, whatever. Done now. Anyway, bye, you're done. Okay. Done. Right. Oh, buy size. No, there's still more prizes. There's still many more prizes in there. And not prizes. There's still quite a lot in there, Bite. Trust me. Buy size and Robberface, you're in chat. Let me know. If not, that's fine. Z, if you're there in chat, let me know. Tilda, let me know if you're in chat. If not, Grumpy and Pingu. Right, Grumpy. No, Grumpy go first. Grumpy say stop. Or Pingu say stop. Whoever says stop first, I will stop. Maybe I'll put 2 hands in there. Also, Nate, welcome in. Say stop. Pingu and Grumpy say stop. I got Pingus. Grumpy, say stop. You want me to stop? Grumpy might be away from the desk. Okay, Grumpy might be away from the desk for a moment. That's fine. We'll do that later. Anyway, right, Pingu, you got a tag. So this is your tag here. Another melody. But does it have a prize? It does. You won a £10 gift card. Let's fucking go. Wrong sounder. Well done, Pingu. Well done, Pingu. That is yours. You want to see? There are more prizes. I told you. Bye. Sorry, you got unlucky. Sorry, mate. They do exist. All right. This is sus. Pingu, don't question it. Don't question it. And Pingu, that is yours. I'll sort it out for you. Unless you want to DM me whenever, go for it. Grubby missed out as well, but anyway, it's fine. Okay, so that's done. But yeah, so every sub, resub, prime sub, gift sub, whatever sub, you get a gift tag with your name in it. Somebody who's here, someone on the board will fill that board over December. You also get a Discord role from my Discord, get attached to whatever tag is. And also some of them have prizes or forfeits attached. Forfeits for myself, prizes for you. So some might be, Nate! Let's go, Nate! And who the hell is Android Mac? I don't know who that is. You know what? You can have that sub, Nate.
Nate Cremancer just
I
gifted
don't know
a sub
who
to
that is.
Android_Mac_10.
Right, Nate, question. Okay, so anyone just sub, there's a question. Do you want to give that gift tag to Android Mac 10? Is that a real thing? Anyway, or do you want to keep it for yourself? It's up to you. I've never heard of Android Mac. They might be a very... they might watch my streams for fucking years. Never heard of them. So it's up to you. I will say, if you do win a prize, it will be yours regardless, because you spent money. But it's up to you. You can have the gift tag if you would want that. I don't know who they are. They have... they've been following me. Actually, they've been following me since 2020, 22. And the last message they wrote was from Ray Bell stream in 2023. So they may not be around. So you know what? I'm happy to give you a gift tag, Nate. All right? Say stop. You want me to stop, Nate? Oh, I'm happy to give it to you. Say stop. You want me to stop? Get in there. Another melody and no prize, but you got a gift tag. So Nate, that is yours. Thank you much for the gift, for the gifted sub. I appreciate that. That will go on the board, and also I will be sharing these in the Discord after streams. So all good. Right, let me just put the name. There we go. And also in my Discord, you get a Discord role with that counter. Anyway, so I think we're caught up to date. Welcome, everybody. So if I miss any messages, we're a bit all over the place, but I'll start a bit later on Saturday because of work. I didn't edit the late game. Yay. So I'm happy about that. Anyway, we're going to join Root in a second, play some games, and if we got time, we're going to check out the new Observation Duty, because the whole game came out, I think, 2-3 days ago. So we played a demo. We did all right. It's actually quite fun. And we got the whole game. Came out, yeah, I think Thursday came out. So we might have a bit of go on that before we end tonight. Anyway, thanks for being here, chat. So I've missed any messages. I'm a bit out of it just because I've missed streams and it's been quite busy last few days and stuff. Feel like I'm getting under control of stuff. I think it might be false sense of security, but you know. I mean, I say that, and it feels like my sound's playing up, but whatever. Anyway, let me ring up. Hang on, where we go? I'm going to give. Right, I think we're good. Are we good? Right, let me just ring up. Right, everyone be on best behaviour. Okay. Is this where she doesn't pick up? I mean, she did say she was ready 10 minutes ago, and I ignored her, so this might be on me. Just get ignored by my friends, it's fun. So it's like Nessie all over again, isn't it? But thank you all for the subs, I do appreciate it. Yeah, I've been ignored. I'm now in a voice chat by myself. Stop eating dice. Drag. It's not good for your health. Or is it? Actually, is it good for your health? Let's find out. Anyway, thanks for being in chat. Appreciate you all very much. Music, are we good? No, we just stopped. Okay. Anyway, let me say hi to people. Let me mute and wait for Root to join us. I missed a message, but anyway, Wolfie, welcome in. Drag, Grumpy, welcome in. We have a Grumpy with a 35 stream streak. Kudos, good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Welcome, everybody. Welcome in. Kim with the 12 25?
Hype train, hype train, hype train, hype train.
Wait, we have
Let's
a treasure
go.
train? We actually have. Oh my god. Oh, my alerts are broken. Okay, I think. Oh no, we're good. Are we good? Oh.
Kim Type just gifted a load of subs
Oh.
to the community. Meow meow meow.
Right. Okay. I didn't expect we'd do 25 today, but thank you very much, Kim. Right, there's a couple of things, apparently. So first of all, we're on a level 6 hype train. All right. Second of all, we're on a treasure train, which means every 5+ gifted subs during this time is 35% off. And third of all, Kim just dropped 25 fucking subs. Chat, give us a fucking hype in chat. Kim, thank you very much. You get the super duper big gift tags. You get one of these big boys.
Whoa.
Did I just shout out big boys the second you join cool?
I'm gonna say I'm a big boy. Love your
Hi, Root. Hi. Do you love it? Yeah, I'm asleep, but I'm awake.
It's so good. Hold on. Every time I start stream, I have to refix fucking Discord.
It's okay, it's fine. I'm just talking to my chat. I'm just talking about big boys. It's fine. You know how it is.
Don't worry, chat. We were talking about being the biggest boy.
Apparently so.
Yeah, they didn't catch it because, like, every time you restart OBS, I have to fix the properties of Discord specifically.
Oh, they
otherwise
missed it.
destroy
Oh, that's a shame.
They missed the big boy comment, which made it very weird. Me saying I'm the biggest boy.
Do you want
Just
context? Or do you not want context? That's fine. That's
don't
fine.
give any.
Context will ruin it,
They
so it's all
ignore them
good.
when they know nothing. Ignorance is bliss.
I'm going to definitely just for a second because I just got something quick to do, but I'll be back in 1 second. Anyway, I knew that will fucking happen. Anyway, Root's just there. Root's hanging out. Anyway, Kim, we have some big tags. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, Kim, would you prefer... Which one would you prefer? Hello Kitty or Pommy, what is his fucking name is? Hello Tezzy, welcome in. You did! Welcome in, welcome to the stream. Which one would you prefer, Kim? You have a choice. Got Hello Kitty and Pombidoo? Don't know what his name is. We're all big boy. But Kim, thank you so much for the 25. I really appreciate that. That's huge. And also, 35% off 5 or more gift subs, chat. I think the Pon. Okay, Pon it is. Okay, with Pon... Which one do you want? Do you want number 1 or number 2? 1 or 2? Hello, Anna Grace. 1 or 2? Thanks for the follows. 1 or 2? 1. It's like eye examination. 2. Right. I'm not sure why I asked, because there's nothing on the back. But you had a choice. There was nothing on either sides, but it's fine. But Kim, thank you much for the 25 gifted subs. You absolute superstar. Also, 5 gifted and 25 get a special gift tag as well, FYI, in the Discord. So, Kim, thank you very much. Welcome, everybody. Kimmy, welcome in. Welcome in. Enjoy your gifted subs. Welcome. Right.
Man, we're FORTNITE. FORTNITE. Yeah. We're FORTNITE. We're not farting.
We're doing what?
We're FORTNITE.
We're what?
Exactly. I'm doing my best impression of someone who's just incapable of speaking properly.
Oh, what, like me?
I never said that.
But
those are your words.
They are my words, and it's normally true.
I'm not disagreeing with you.
I did exactly.
I just don't like. What can I say? When you talk, you have a. Every time when I am okay, I have to be more specific.
Yeah. No, go on. Yeah, go on.
Usually something is going a bit silly, and you just start like rambling a bit about whatever, and it doesn't feel coherent, and that's okay because neither am I. I am neither. I just say what's just on my mind, even if I'm just have lost words and way to speak. So I'm just improvising with whatever I got.
That's such a nice way of putting that.
Well, because
Plushy
I can
Fluff just
absolutely
resubscribed for 35 months at tier 1 with
I can
Prime.
relate to it
In
still.
watching
Don't worry
with
about
Why
it.
Bing Bong
Later.
Plushy says I
That's
miss
such
my
a nice
wife.
way of putting that. It's just like, yeah, so what? You just talk a lot of shit, but you know,
That's the job, right? Is that not in the job description?
true. I do feel like my British accent does help massively. People are like,
It does
well,
give you a way of sounding more sophisticated
Right?
than you actually are.
had I chat, guess what? No, absolutely fucking not.
And that's okay. Like, legit, it doesn't say in your job description, I am particularly smart, have high IQ, and I'm very, very high educated.
Okay, all right, okay. I get the idea, all right.
I mean, it doesn't say that in my job description. If you look at my description, it just says that I'm not particularly good at anything at all.
Plus, you think for the 35 months.
Damn, girl, mute it. You straight up ripped.
No,
mute
I
it.
was talking to chat
No,
while you were
no,
talking. If I wanted to mute you, I would have just done this.
Yeah. Doesn't just turn you off like, like okay, damn.
I have
immediately
buttons.
say, well,
And I wrote, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Do you want to do that shared community thingy, majiggy?
I love community.
You love community.
Yeah. Yes. I never knew until like a year ago that Community was like co-written by Richard Ayoade, and I fucking love that. I love Richard. He's funny.
Oh, what, the show? Yeah. I thought you meant community as in like the word. I'm like, no, I think it
No.
existed before then.
Honestly, I wouldn't put it beside him to like have done that. He has an incredible resume, and I'm just impressed by the man. He's impressive.
It's impressive. Also, he directed, I think, Submarine, which is a movie a few years ago.
Marine. I
Submarine.
can throw it as far as 8 out of 10 cats and the IT crowd to be. And now Fable. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's the voice redeem, isn't it?
Is it? Oh, it is, yes. I was like, what's going on? Oh, it's a voice redeem.
Yeah, I was like, hello.
My chat, look, this is what happens, right? Because I'm very talkative in my chat. I normally interact with them and give them attention. When I do like a collab, my chat's like, wait a minute, Warwick's not talking to us. We need to do something. So they start just acting up and start pressing things. Isn't that right?
Chat, yeah, there we go. See, now there's Little Wick. There we go. So you get to experience this. I will say, this is your fault.
You do sound particularly more sophisticated when you sound small.
I will take it as a compliment. I will not ask any further questions.
Giving like the energy of, you know, Lord Farquaad, but like funnier and more smart. I don't know how else to explain what happened in my brain.
Is that a
when
good
I thought of
thing?
that. I think he's really funny. And my favorite ASMR video of all time is just a woman cosplaying as Lord Farquaad and being insane.
Okay, I need that video. By the way,
If you Google,
What am I
on
Googling?
YouTube, if you go to okay, no, don't Google. If you go to YouTube and you type in ASMR and then type in Maya Winky and then space.
Oh my god, that's terrifying.
I love Maya. She's so fucking funny. She's so good at acting though.
Oh, she's done.
A lot. She's done a lot.
It's like
She
Jimmy
even did,
Neutron.
what is the Humpty Dumpty? Yes. Jimmy Neutron is great. So funny. The recurring character of that, she has one recurring British girl character, but like from Essex. You know the energy, right?
Essex, mate.
Essex. Yeah, exactly. That kind of girly pop. Like Essex to me is like the Valley Girl of the US, but for Britain. You get it right?
No, I get it. I'm just learning so much about Britain from you. It's amazing.
Oh, what can I say? I'm a I'm fluent in 8 out of 10 cats.
Right, I'm starting to share chat.
Thank you. My family was obsessed with Jimmy Carr for the longest time. I've seen him more times than anyone else.
Is that a good thing?
I wouldn't say it's horrifically bad.
I can think of a lot of
But
worse things to do, I guess.
No, absolutely. He has a new like series out that's basically like you
Chat
know
my
what How
face!
Scary Movie is like a parody of like the Scream franchise and like
Yep.
horror movies in general. Like he recently created same energy but from like Downton Abbey. It's nuts. And
Fun
really
fact,
funny.
I've never watched Downton Abbey. So I'm like,
Good.
oh, okay.
It bores me to shit.
That's the thing, I'm like, I'm only British. I don't need to live this. I'm like, it's
Exactly.
pompous people being British. I'm like, I'm good. I just listen to myself
if you
on
want
stream.
Pompous people being British, watch like Saltburn. That's good.
That is
shit
good.
Fire.
That is good.
That's good. Recommend 10 out of 10.
Anyway, welcome to chat. We've got shared chats. You can say hi to each other. You should know how this works. Hello. Also, I think there's some Christmas thing where if you use shared chats, you get like emotes or special emotes or something.
Oh?
Oh yeah. Yeah. So you get like a Snow Worries emote, which is something I don't know. I don't know.
That's very dad coded of them. I mean,
dad coded. People love this shit.
Yeah.
Honestly, on Monday, when I stream Monday, I asked random people going, I've shared a clip. Where's my emote? I'm like, I have no idea what you're talking about. People love emotes.
I
People
don't remember
love...
being informed by Twitch of this, to be honest. Shitty dad behavior.
There's a link. There's
Shitty dad behavior.
there's a link for it right there. Where is it?
Dad behavior. Putting in something of effort but not telling anyone you
that's
did it.
wait.
and
No,
just
that's
expecting them to
drops.
know.
That's the wrong thing. There we go. Hoopla. There we go. This is it. There we go. Yeah, if you put in the holiday hoopla into your, your tags thing. If you put holiday hoopla in there, and people watch your streams, they get some cool emotes.
Warwick drinking,
Do I need
Warwick
to like
taking a drink.
apply
Everyone else
somewhere?
should be.
No, you don't have to apply anything. No, all you got to do is,
Yeah.
on OBS, where it says tags.
Yes.
If you put in holiday hoopla, which I put in the DMs.
How do I spell it?
I've put it in the DMs.
Hooligan is a tag.
Not hooligan. No, don't put it. Hooligan won't work.
All right.
Or do you think hydration?
Done.
Right, you put it in. Yeah, put holiday hoopla,
Right.
and then when you do collab sessions, it unlocks these emotes for chats and also for people who stream. So for the first one, you get a little snowman, and then if you do more, you get a little gingerbread man and a little doggy in a present.
That sounds really cute. I'm gonna pretend I understood any of that. That was wonderful. Thank you for explaining.
You're very
Warwick.
welcome. I've shared a screenshot for you.
Explained it any better.
No,
Oh
I think
my
you could have
God.
done.
Legit, we have there's a Dutch word for people that are unable to handle things that have become more digitalized. They're called digibate, which translates to like kind of like the dyslexic version of digital anything.
Is it
That's
like
me.
not
That's how I
liking
feel right
not
now.
liking change and stuff?
Not really not liking change, but like not being able to keep up with like all the new things all being done digitally.
Oh, okay. I
Like
can get
how elderly people have a tendency to fall for phishing scams and shit. And like spam you on Facebook with, is this real? Shit.
Rue,
Stuff like that.
did you
Yeah.
get caught by a phishing scam again?
What you mean again? I have never had that happen before.
Are you
I'm
sure?
way too cautious. Yeah, I don't trust none. I don't trust
Nuns?
anything Link Life. None. None.
Oh, if it's a nun, I mean nuns. What they hiding? Like really, think about it. What they hiding?
Well, they're secluded in some place far from society usually. I don't see nuns like on average in like a busy city like ever. It's usually fuck off somewhere in the bush, you know? And that's okay. Honestly,
In a bush.
not a mood right now. In the bush. Isn't that like a saying? Like in like the more in the forested areas, like far away from like big cities.
Well, like the
and
wilderness.
city lights. Yes, bush people. No, that's Australia.
No, yeah, I was say bush people was Australian. Maybe that's where maybe it's where they are. Maybe that's where they are. Nuns are all in Australia. There we go. We figured it out. There's not land space there. The woods. No, Australia. No, we figured it out. Australia.
Yes.
We cracked the case.
I remember talking, like, since I have so many Aussie friends now, which happened on accident. I promise I wasn't looking for them.
I'm so sorry
They
for
just
you.
Popped out. I mean, they are a special kind of breed and tenacious that I can only recommend to a specific kind of people.
Tenacious?
But they are, yes, in like their own way and like very, very intense in a way that us Europeans are not used to. And that's okay. Yeah, they're very special. Morty knows exactly what I mean. They're beautiful people that have a silly culture of their own, just like we do, Europeans do.
I was about to say, I'm going to apologise in advance for any Australians in the chat. But
I mean,
it's
it's
fine.
not an insult because it's facts. They're very unlike us, if you will. And that's okay because it's beautifully... What we lack is what they've got.
And that's okay. We're just different, and that's fine. It brings us together, our differences. And it's like, and Australians are going, all right, I'm just trying to exist here, but all right.
I don't think I've heard like a single Aussie ever say that to me after I told them this. They were just like,
were they too scared?
Okay, not really. They're just like, I don't know, goonbag this, and I'm like, gooning, and I'm like, ooh.
So did you hear anything?
Or maybe like,
you just had goon and you went, oh, hello.
Belong this, New South Wales that, and I'm like, okay. Alright, got it. They don't ever talk about kangaroos the way people stereotype they do. They don't. More like magpies. Those are ferocious little shit.
You know what? I just gotta let you just carry on talking.
I mean,
this is great. Yeah, no, it's great. I love it. I love it.
It's a mouth made for talking, not just consuming.
You have a mouth made for talking, not just consuming.
Exactly.
Do you have quotes on your chat, Root? Do you have quotes on your Root?
I don't think I have them.
Okay,
but
good to know.
If people want to turn that on, sure. There's mods in here that have power.
Sure. Yeah, sure. It's fine. I mean, I've got so many quotes. It's wild how many different my quotes are.
I would still support you if you shaved your head, and that's all I'm saying about that.
Why did that come up for?
I mean, it's a good quote. It's also just like I was just.
Oh, that's a quote. I thought you were just saying it out loud. I was like, why? I'm not going to do that. Oh. I thought you just said that randomly. I was like, all right. I guess. Okay. What was that quote from? I was from Wide-Eyed. All right. All right. Anyway, chat, if you haven't realised, we're playing Fortnite with Root. Even when Root decides to accept my invite to the party, then we'll, but it's fine. Take your time, Root. Oh, Root is break. Oh, okay. I wonder why Root was ignoring me. Root's at 5 frames per second. Okay, well, give Root a minute. I thought Root was just ignoring me. Anyway, hi chat, welcome everybody. Yeah, so if you don't know, I think wait, hang on. Let me talk for Root. If you can hear me, Root is apparently having some technical issues with Fortnite. I'm using GeForce Now, which helps out, so I can play the game. Also, I have a cat as well, if you've noticed. I didn't know Qatar Airlines has come to Fortnite. I feel like everything's come to Fortnite. Oh, okay, Root, I still can't hear you in Discord. Root has a doggo. But welcome everybody. So if I miss any messages, it's a bit chaotic, as you can tell. 2 yappers on the stream. It's fucking wild. But thanks for being in the chat. Root, yeah, I still can't hear you in Discord. I don't know if you had to reconnect. I'm going to mute, but shout at me when you're back. Are the cats and doggos best friends? They will be. They will be. Also, by the way, they're called Catwick, by the way. They're called Catwick. Do I stay as Miku or do I become Daft Punk? Chat, what do you think? Oh, I guess I'll wait till Root, see what Root does. But how's everyone doing, by the way? While waiting for Root to sort out things on their end. Oh, what song's playing, actually, on my end?
I might have to turn off my model.
Oh, is your model playing
That's
up?
unfortunate. I think FORTNITE and they're fighting for CPU. That's all I can say.
How many frames do you have?
Chat.
Is it more than 10?
Frames I got? Morty said 5 like a hot minute ago.
Yeah, sort of 5. That's not. I mean, that's better than 4, but it's not ideal.
Hold on, I'll just turn off my model.
Oh, you're 2 now.
Like 2.
Damn,
Damn,
number 2.
what an improvement. Alright, I'll use my PNG.
You sure?
I have a new one coming up. Yeah, of course. 'Cause we're here to have fun.
Yes, we're here to have fun. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna force the fun out of you lot, chat.
I mean, I do love being seen. Okay, there we go.
I love being seen as well.
There you go. Beautiful. Oh, there you are. I had my Miku still. Hold on, let me grab my Miku.
Oh, should we be Miku's?
Oh, shit. I mean, it would only be fair. That's how we started.
So. Yeah.
Let's see. No, I don't want to show my Discord.
No, you don't want to show your Discord. Show all our leaked DMs.
Oh, that's a different one. What the fuck?
In fact, actually,
I mean, our DMs are not that crazy, to be fair.
No, there's a reason for that. I worry because the amount of times you see people leaking DMs and people like really being really weird. That's why I always keep it really professional in all my DMs, just in case.
I mean, I am pretty weird, but I make sure that if I ever hang out with people, that the most recent information and like communication I've had with people is like on point.
Yep.
It's not as intense as it usually is. Hold on, I'm gonna call it FORTNITE screenshot. There you go. I speak all of the languages. What the fuck?
I do actually want to get my DMs leaked at some point. I think actually I've got a couple of my chats making a Google document about me actually, which is about time I think.
What?
The amount of stuff I say on stream. Yeah. I'm trying to build. I'm trying to figure out how to get like popular, you know. And I think that's one of the ways is to like get a Google document like 2,000 pages.
I mean, I hope there are 2,000 pages of just pure love for the craft. You know, the craft being you.
That's a lot of pages, though. I feel like maybe 4 at the most. The rest of it can just, you know what it was? The font can just be in like 3,000. So it'd be like 1 letter per page.
That's okay. Love is love. There we go. I fixed it.
You fixed it.
FORTNITE is really hard to capture. Like, it only has one way of capturing shit. Nothing else. Alright. I'm gonna go to the locker.
Hi, Captain Fowl. Hello,
because
hello.
I have the bride now too, and I have.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I was like, she looks really fucking cool.
I mean, you can choose whoever you want, because I can go. If not Miku, I can go with Daft Punk. Because
that's okay. We can Miku it up.
We can Miku up with our cat and dog.
That's true.
What's your dog?
Oh, you have a cat. Oh,
yeah, of course I have a cat. Right. The cat came out. I was like, I'm buying that. Great. I spend more money on Fortnite. By the way, use code Warwick in the Epic Store. Unless there's Root's got one, then use Root's code. But if not, then use Warwick.
I have no code.
Then use my code Warwick. It actually does work. I think. Hang on, wait. Let me just double check. Yeah, Craig, support creator Warwick. You can actually support me. So, also, fun fact: I can use it for myself if I buy stuff.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
really.
nice.
It allows you to use it for yourself, so I actually get a bit of money back every time I buy like a skin.
Cashback guarantee, isn't it?
Exactly. Right, shall we do this?
I mean, we can. I mean, I named my dog Thack because it's chat in reverse.
That's
It's Thack.
mine's just called Catwick. I was like, oh, everything's got to be something wick.
Oh, that's cute. Hold on, I'll go back to my locker so I can show chat. No guns, though. Hold on. Where can I? Oh, there's sidekicks.
Yeah, sidekick.
Yeah, Thack. It's just chat, not just in reverse, but like a little bit mixed up the letters. So it's like THAC.
That's very funny.
And in reverse, then it's cat, but it's not a cat. I thought it was funny too.
Oh.
It's cat with A.
Totally intentional, right? Totally intentional.
Yeah, absolutely. Because that would be funny. So, like, if it be in reverse, to be a different like animal species entirely, but also to be like an anagram of like cat. I thought it was cute.
It's very
and also,
funny.
I love the Dobermans. They're really cute.
They're very cute.
Doberman's fire. Love that.
I wonder if our cat and dog will fight each other.
I sure hope not, because I'd have to put your cat down. Sorry.
My cat, no, my cat's a
Exactly.
pussy cat. It wouldn't fight anybody.
My cat's a pussy. Yeah, no shit.
I said pussy cat for a reason, Root.
I mean, it's still pussy.
It is. Do you want to ready up, or are you just hanging out in the lobby?
Oh, I thought I was ready. I apologize.
No, you're good. No, you're good. It's fine. Take your
I'm
time.
sweating a bit.
I'm enjoying talking about cats and dogs and nothing else, and Australian people, apparently.
Yes, who are not cats or dogs. They're
No.
a unique breed. I
Exactly. See, chat,
Yeah.
you get entertained and also you learn something as well.
I mean, you learn things you didn't ask today, and that's okay. Because
Yeah,
that's
my
mostly
chat
when I'm
really
here.
doesn't ask for many things when I share. I was like, oh, okay, Warwick, that's cool. Thank you for that. Cool, thank you.
I mean, legit, whenever you do watch a streamer, you're not there for high IQ, high, like, gameplay, like, skills. Unless you're watching, like, I don't know, a speedrunner. But even then, I'm like, damn, you love watching other people be fast. How about you be fast?
Yeah, chat, you tell him. Yeah, you tell him, Root.
I mean, I get it. I'd love to be fast too sometimes, but I'm like, nah, I like it slow. Cats, dogs, and Australia, it's 3 genders.
The three genders.
Yeah, my favorite gender of all.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. That's
So,
loaded weird.
Have you played the
What
new...
the? I have no shaders.
Oh,
I have
which
no
means you haven't
shaders.
played this yet. It's a new map. So pick wherever you want to go, Root. We'll go wherever you
Okay,
fancy.
I'm gonna... I'm out.
You're out.
I don't
Okay,
know
cool.
where we're going.
Did you ping? Right, I will ping.
I did.
You did you? Oh, you did ping over there. Okay. Where is that? Oh, is that way?
Bullet. Chat. I need more bullets.
What do you need more of?
I need more bullets. It's my favorite fucking thing.
So have you played this since they updated the new season?
Nope. The
Okay.
last time I played was with you and
That's
Evan,
wild.
and-
That's ages ago. Okay, right. So things have changed
All I
slowly.
did was get more emotes because they have a Eurovision emote now, and I was freaking out, and I love it.
Right, they have changed quite a few things. So let's try to figure out what's going on. They got double shotguns, double weapons. They got electric weapons. Right, where are you?
Uh-huh.
Where are you? Wait, Root, where are you?
I'm above you, but it won't let me let go
Oh.
of the bullet.
Okay, hi. Right, you can.
None of the shades, none of the textures are loading.
Are you
It's
good?
normal.
Is nothing loading up? Oh my god, you. Okay. Alright, let's. Okay, let's. Wait, it's nothing loading at all.
I mean, some of it is loading. That's the fun part. This bush is not loaded.
Okay.
Everything else
You're
is
playing in
low.
hard mode, alright? Right, let's get in
I
here.
don't mind. Some of the logs are not loaded. The bush
There's
is not
nothing
loaded
here.
yet.
Okay.
At
Let
least
me
I have stack with me.
let me drop.
You got that?
Okay, do you want a weapon? There's a weapon. Okay, root. Okay. I know you don't like beds. Okay, so that is double shotgun. So that's one of your weapons. Also, you may notice on the UI things are a bit different. So like the timer and how many people are now top right with the map on top right. Also, when you get downed, you can ragdoll or tumble around basically.
Oh, that's fun. I don't like how many pop-ups I get though. Ooh, shit.
So I'm just testing my audio.
Oh, you shot your cat.
No, my cat's fine.
Damn.
Right, get over here, Root. Get over here.
What's that? Oh,
Shields. There you go.
Well, here's
also,
something funny.
always.
The
There you
explosion didn't load at all, so it just after you broke it, it turned into without textures and then just disappeared. There was
You
no
are playing a completely different game to what I'm playing, Root.
The rocks have no texture.
Amazing.
Okay, now it does. It loaded in.
Cool.
It's just
Right.
really
Okay.
slow loading
Right.
now.
So I will be the leader of this duo. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh,
well,
we're going the
as
wrong
usual.
way. We want to go this way. Sorry, I just
Okay, I'll
realised
swim
that.
after.
That's a good start. Should we go to the fun fair? Can you see the fun fair, by the way, Root? Can you see that?
Yes, I can. I have eyes. I can see.
No, it's not about that, Root. It's about your game not loading. Also, welcome in, Raiders.
Thank you for the raid, Asmodeus. Welcome in. Hello, Asmo. I do like the vibes with the what's it called? These light bugs.
Nighttime?
The fireflies. No, the light bugs, the fireflies.
Fireflies.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Nighttime.
Also, sorry for my bot shouting at you. We're doing shared chat and we're doing great.
It's okay. Hi, Asmo. How are you? I hope your stream was good.
Also, Colour, welcome in. Everyone's welcome in.
My stream quality is not the highest, so just enjoy it for what it is.
Root is currently hacking the game.
Oh shit. I'm hacking?
You are.
I'm hacking?
You are. You're not loading your textures for a reason.
Stage 1 of what? Does my dog have cancer? What?
What?
What did it say? Oh, I can't chat. It said that chat has like stage 1 of something. Ems wants to play.
Ems is joining my party.
Yeah, this one, that's the M joy. I love Ems. Ems is fun.
Oh, the wall's call. We're coming in. I forgot about
shit!
It's fine. We're here. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. See, we're fine. It's fine.
How do I escape?
How do you escape? Don't escape me. You can't
No.
leave. Oh,
No, it's giving it like a pop-up and it told me to press escape. So I did.
why are you getting pop-up? What game are you
No.
playing?
I'm playing Fortnite.
There shouldn't be pop-ups in your game. I think you downloaded a different game
it
room.
it wasn't like it was a pop-up from what's it called? The Epic Games Store. You know those pop-up.
Was it called Epic Games or was it called Opic Gams?
All right, calm down. I can be. I might be a little slow and I'm slightly dyslexic coded, but
I'm just British, so
that's okay. Being British is indeed like some kind of.
it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. It's not the best.
It's okay. I'm not very great either.
Are you
What
British?
timer is
There's so many shotguns.
Oh!
Oh, we have to go.
I was like, what's that timer I'm hearing? And then it stopped and I'm like, I think that's the storm.
Yeah, it's a storm. Let's go.
I found it out way too late.
Everyone's watching the slideshow and Root stream.
Calm down, okay?
I'm fine. I'm having a great time. Stream looks good. It's all
Not
good.
talking to chat. Chat needs to.
Hey,
fucking
chat,
calm
check
down.
out Nvidia. What, wait, are you not using? I thought you said you like GeForce Now.
Well, yeah, that was because I had at the time I was like not stationary, aka I didn't have a place for a long like term residency. I needed to move around a lot for a bit. So I had only a laptop I could play games with, and that's not really optimal for gaming. So I used a GeForce Now because it was that fucking fire.
We love GeForce Now.
I do recommend. I love GeForce Now. Like there was a time when I was so desperate, and GeForce Now was my savior because I played and finished Far Cry 5 on 3 FPS through the entire game.
What? I think I had a command for it. I think it's GFN. I don't know. Try GeForce to GFN. I don't know, one of those. I was sponsored with them somewhere. That is commitment. That is very true. It's a commitment. All right, it'll be good.
I am.
Oh, there we go. I do have a command for it. There we go. Sweet.
Hell yeah. Is that a cat hot air balloon?
It might be. Yes, meow. Okay. Meow. Job. No, I'm good. Right, let's go. Oh, we need to go. We are on the edge of the map.
Yes, we are. We're edging.
We are edging. Oh, car, and
I don't have a driver's license. I think you should take it.
Yeah, it's the Miku car. Right, where do we want to go? Should we just go to Canyon? Should we just keep driving to Canyon? Should we just go for a drive?
I would love to go to the Grand Canyon. Earn sidekick points, stage 2. What?
Let's go. We're edging, chat.
M's left with 30.
M's come back! Well, M's probably waiting for us. Oh, wait, where am I going? Oh, I just drove around. Oh, let's go this way instead. Oh, the wall's coming in!
I love your mobile.
Whee!
Alright.
This is great.
Driving?
Oh, yeah, this is British driving, yep. This is fine. Yep.
I'm coming. Fortnite was acting up.
It's fine.
Oh, hell yeah. I still don't know how to emote on keyboard.
Oh, you play keyboard? Oh, no, I can't do that. Right, shall we just move away from all the shooting?
I mean, I have to play with keyboard because I can only, like, use FPS, like, guns with a mouse. Otherwise, I can't fucking aim for shit.
The car sounds so fun, but it's going so slow. Whoa!
Your driving is something.
We are still alive. Oh, there's someone shooting here. Shoot him, Root! Get him!
I wouldn't dare poke my head out here.
Oh, there's so many people here. We're just gonna keep. Oh, fuel low. Fuel's low. Root.
Don't worry, you know how to drive. You got this, girl. You got this, bestie.
I've run out of fuel.
Okay, we'll get out the car.
Right, there's a lot going on here. So. Oh yeah. Also, not to plug GeForce Now, but I'm going to. They got a 50% off sale for the first month. So if you are interested, they got a 50% off sale for the holidays. Root, don't stand. Don't. Root. There's a lot of people here. Just let's not.
I'm walking.
You're walking here. So hopefully everyone else will shoot themselves, and then we'll be good. Oh, there's people.
What if I...
People! Root!
Got him!
Nice! Right, anyway, carry on.
Oh, there's more coming, I'm sure. Oh, there's something gold. Oh, hell yeah.
I'm just gonna heal. Oh, they left their car for us. That's nice of them. Oh, God, that got quite loud. Let me just turn it down a bit. Actually. I'm going to hide in here.
It was pretty loud.
I'm now in the rubbish. Let me just... Oh, you can't sort... Oh, you can sort your settings out. Okay.
Oh, my God. We are now besties in trash. I could not have wished for a better time.
Right, let's put music a bit higher. Music lobby a bit higher. Sound effects lower.
We're trash companions.
We are trash. I think that'll do. Let's try that. We're hanging out together, chat. We're hanging out, right?
Why did you jump into my room? I don't know. It's very.
It's a nice room, all right. Right. So there's 12 people left, including us. So we are technically a top 5 already. Oh, it's a banana.
I have a banana.
Are you hit? Root, you have no shields. Why do you have no shields? Root, oh my god. Root, get over it. Root, get over it. Root, drink that small shield over there. Not the shotgun. Don't drink the shotgun. I will find you a bigger.
I'm drinking shotgun.
Don't drink the shotgun. That might not end well. Right, we're now top 10. Right, there's nothing in here. Okay.
A shield limit has been reached. Yeah?
Do you like my big gun?
Oh my god, your gun is massive. Where
Thank
did you
you.
get it?
I found it on the floor. It's a bit dirty, but I found it on the floor. Nothing in here. Okay, just...
The way you say dirty reminds me of Bertie Bott's flavored beans.
What?
Because dirty and Bertie has to say.
I'm gonna grab... Where's the car? I'm gonna grab the car.
There's another one in the distance.
Miku car! Right.
The Miku Mobile.
Get in!
I'm coming, Miku.
Right, let's get some ground.
Some high elevation.
Do you want to see what's in there, Root?
Oh, I'm packing.
Oh, big shield! Get the big shield! Get the big shield! Oh my god, Root, get it now. Go, Root.
Okay.
Get in the car.
I got it.
Oh my god, Root, Root, yeah, but the shield, get in the car!
I'm in the car!
It's fine. Okay, 7 left, 2 of us. Right, we'll just drive!
Oh, shit. Yeah, I love driving.
Whee! We're not making any noise.
It's okay.
Is it?
We're having fun, that's all that
Yeah, we're having fun. Onto the hill!
There's the... Oh.
I guess we just keep driving.
Whee! I leveled up. What the fuck did I level up?
You survived being in a car with me.
I guess so, huh?
Right, driving through the movie studio.
Love this place. I've never been to Hollywood before.
Right,
Man, what a mess that place was. That's the end of the ring. Oh,
it is. But we wait for the shield.
There's only 5 seconds. Okay.
Yep, so we want to hide behind this rock.
Okay.
There we go, sweet. And we just hang out here because they should be coming from over here. Better my GTA driving. Yeah, that's a good point. But I don't have someone controlling my driving drag. Have you seen my GTA Chaos mod, by the way, Root?
What's a G who?
You know GTA 5?
Yes.
Have you seen
you do that before?
the Chaos?
It was messy, and I think you got extra grey hairs from that.
Oh, I've been getting some grey hairs recently because of that game. It's fucking wild. But if you don't know, chat, it's a game where I play it, and then you can control the game, and it's very funny.
It is very silly. Hey, that's a go.
Oh! We've been shot at. Right, downed. There's 2 groups left, including us. Root, do you see them? One's down.
What the hell?
Let's go!
Oh
Let's
shit!
Go!
I did not think
Root was Root was like, didn't even know what's going on.
No, it was like having like frame rate issues. I'm like, yes, I'm here.
I'm just there. Smashing it. It was like frames.
What a struggle.
Hey, Root, we got a victory out though.
I love this. It's so good. It reminds me like when we were playing together, like when we did the Miku thing.
Oh, I love that so much. That was 12 hours.
Royale,
we did, and that was the first one, wasn't it? Oh my god, it was you, me, Evan, and Apothic, and it was so chaotic. It was so funny.
So good. It was so fun.
I've gone back out into the lobby so Ems can join in.
It's just waiting for party leader, and I don't know what that
Leave
means.
the game route.
Like,
We've gone back to the lobby. No, go back to cancel. Go, yeah. But if you don't know, chat, when Mickey came out, I think it was February, it came out this year. God, that was a while ago. Miku came out and I did a 12-hour stream of Fortnite with Miku. And every 3 hours or 4 hours? No, every 3 hours I had a different group who popped in.
Oh my god, I earned shit. I have popcorn.
Do you want to look at your stuff?
And I have a harness for my baby. Oh my god.
You have a harness for your baby? You have a harness for your what?
Put on the harness. Chat, put on the harness. Put it on.
Chat,
put it on right now.
Yeah, you better listen to Root.
There you go.
Claim
Put
all.
on your harness. Wait, where is it? It doesn't show me. Where's the harness? Did not load again.
I think, isn't the harness in, if you go to your sidekick?
I am
Edit.
at my sidekick.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I was an edit button. Oh, okay, there you go.
Oh, you can get a little harness for, oh my god, that's adorable. Oh.
Look, you're a canine.
Gumby, we're not putting you in the baby harness.
Oh, now it works well? Good. Love that.
Ems, Ems is doing it, hang on.
Ems is here too. Oh, holy shit, now I missed 1 second and now you have Danny Phantom Bundle.
Have you seen it? It looks so bad. It looks so bad. Hang
It
on,
looks very janky, but it is funny.
Let me get Ems in.
I need...
Oh, I didn't know I would do that. Okay. Hi, Ems. Oh, I'm muted from Peak. I do. Hi. Ems?
I didn't notice. I apologize.
I need to fix the thing in Wavelength because the audio from Discord is in system.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Ems, can you hear me?
Danny Fiender.
I can hear you.
Oh, okay, cool.
How much does it cost to buy? You can buy Danny.
That's so much money. 3,200. How much?
Like I think it's like 50 euros or something.
Well, hang on, let me just see how much it is. I've got 900 V-Bucks.
Oh, that's like 20 some. It's probably like 30. Then.
It'd be like 20 quid.
It's a lot.
But yeah, Danny Phantom's in it, and he just looks.
Yeah, there we go. Fix that.
Hi. He just looks.
But this looks cute.
It's
the
so
floaty.
nice to see my Fuji.
Ems, by the way, I don't know if are you able to put yourself a bit louder? I put you 200%, but you seem still a bit quiet.
Oh, okay.
If you're able to. Yeah, his eyes just look really weird. Just he doesn't look good.
It does look really off. Oh my god! Why? No, I don't want Skibidi.
Hang on.
What's Skibidi toilet?
Wait, if I.
Okay. Interesting.
Okay, I can hear you. Chat, is that good enough?
Fuck, so you gotta be rich to be a gamer now. Well, yeah. Look
Yeah,
at
you
my
do.
locker.
Use code Warwick if you want to buy Danny Phantom and other things in the shop. Oh, you can buy Skibidi Toilet.
Yeah, I don't want that ever. Alright. I'm gonna switch to what the average guy nuts to on Rule 34. Because I feel like that's gonna get the views. What can I say? I know it works. If I do it like this a little bit more. Wait, I can't hear Warwick.
I'm not talking, so I've just been quiet.
Oh no, your thingy was moving, but I didn't hear anything. So
it might be for some reason my mic is picking up a background noise, but not. It's not making it audible, but it's picking it up, so it looks like it's moving without actually sound coming through.
Oh, it scared me.
That's fine.
But hi, Ems. I haven't spoken to you in so long since the last. This. Hello.
Root, did you
hang
get
out with Aussies too much? Yeah?
You do apparently. Did you get a gift, by the way, Root?
A gift? What?
Did a gift pop up on Fortnite?
I got like I think I earned those.
No. I think something popped up for you.
I did.
Yeah.
Where?
Chat, did something pop up for Root? You might be. I don't know where it pops up, but you. Unless I gifted it to the wrong person. I sent you a gift, Root. I sent you a gift. I don't know where it goes. Where do gifts go?
I don't. I haven't received any pop-up.
Does it not pop up?
What did you give me?
I want you to find out.
I have Lego kits. Did you give me
I
Lego?
I didn't give you Lego. No, it wasn't Lego.
Oh, now I'm scared. Where?
Don't be scared. It's fine.
I love that Sabrina Carpenter. He looks so cute.
Oh my god, should we be Miku, Sabrina, and Daft Punk? Like the three music artists.
That, sure.
I'll be Daft Punk. There we go.
Okay, there you go.
Where's my music gone, by the way? My music's
or your favorite music artist, Alan Wake.
I mean, he's very good in the music in Alan Wake, all right?
Exactly. I wasn't like, I loved the band in it before I ever knew that they ever were in the Alan Wake game.
Oh yes, you knew the band before they were in there. That's cool.
Yeah, because I was like, that music sounds hella good. I was like 2007. I heard like it won on like a weird like AMV that I was watching at the time.
That's amazing. Okay, I want you to find. You know what? Well, no, you know what? We'll just play, and hopefully, when we come out, when we get another Victory Royale, hopefully the gift will just appear.
Okay.
It's a very good gift. Huh? I think it's a great gift. I spent a lot of money on it, and I think it'd be worth the wait. I think.
We don't have Snapchat anymore. Oh, is
what?
chat gone? Is chat?
What?
Oh,
is something broken?
Morty's sad. Morty was really sad that their Snapchat is gone.
Oh, we did break. Oh.
Probably because of me. Because
share chat. Oh, Ems, also, hang on, let me share the link. You can join in as well. There you go. Get your arse in there.
Okay.
If you want to, of course.
Like.
Yeah.
When your parents divorce. Yes, you're a child of divorce, Morty. You're a child of divorce, Morty.
It's a great gift.
That does sound like a reference from like Rick and Morty. You're a child of divorce, Morty.
Also, hi, Stepchat. Also, yes, I do have a very nice jumper, thank you. It's Christmas, so we've got Christmas sweaters on at the moment. I don't know where my sound's gone, by the way. My music's just stopped.
I think after a while it would just stop playing sounds.
Okay.
I don't know why. I'm still curious where the hell you sent it to. I'm so curious where's the gift? Oh, that looks so cute.
Music just stopped playing. All right. Also, Root, ready up.
Let's go.
I just played Daft Punk.
Oh, only when I go in game, it says you received the gift. Oh no.
Oh wait, you can't hear the game. Hang on, wait, you can't hear the game at all. Hang on, let me just mute you guys. Hang on. Wait, you can't hear the game at all. Oh wait, you can hear it. Oh no, there was background noise. There was like little clicks and stuff, but nothing else.
God damn it, Warwick! Why did you do this to me? Now I have to.
What, invite you to a game?
No, I have to wear that abomination.
Oh, have you seen it? Did you see it? Did you find it?
It only pops up when you go into a game.
That's amazing.
I immediately was like, oh, why am I wearing this? I told it to wear it. It was not wearing it.
I spent so much money.
Why did you do that?
Why? Because you said you wanted it so much.
Oh, it's cute though.
Yeah, Marshmallow, suck it. We're the better artists. Marshmallow. You don't look like a marshmallow. Is his name Marshmallow? I have no idea.
wait, this is the. Oh shit! God damn it!
Are you good?
I wanted to show you the Eurovision song that's in canon in Fortnite. I love it.
You can show me that.
So good.
Right, where are we dropping?
Where
do you want to go?
All right, I'm dropping. I pinged somewhere.
We're going back to the canyon.
I don't know where we're going.
You pinged it. It says.
Oh, I thought you guys had a different ping. I was like looking around the map, like where'd y'all ping?
Wait, where did Ems, did you ping or you good?
I didn't ping at all.
Cool. Right, this is going great. Absolutely fine. This is the unhinged energy that we need that got us the win last time. For some reason my music's playing now. I don't know why it wasn't playing the menu, but it's all good. Right, I think there's going to be a lot happening in here, so let's just be careful. I'm going to drop down here. Oh no, I died!
What you mean you died?
I fell. I didn't press X on my rope. Help me, help me, help me. Oh, you can. By the way, you can roll now. You can now just roll.
Rolling.
Cat, help me!
I don't
Help me!
think the cat
Help
would do
me!
that for you.
Help me! I'm dying.
What the fuck are car parts?
Where are you?
I'm down here.
Don't know what the fuck I
Oh my god, I'm on 40. I'm on 40. You guys are near. No, Ems, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
I can't.
I'm down,
I
down.
have no more energy.
Down, down. Go down the rope. The rope thingy-majiggy. Down, down, down.
Oh.
Down. You're near it. You're near it. Ems, you're near it. Go down. Press it. Press.
Oh, no.
That's it. I didn't press it. Help. Help. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Almost dead. Oh my god. I think I'm. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
It's fine. I was on 8.
Where the heck did you go?
At least
Anyway,
this game.
I didn't press X on there. Anyway, it's fine. I'm good. Oh, I found a gun. Oh, wrong button. Root, are you good? Are you shooting?
I'm trying to find where the fuck you are at.
Okay, please don't die.
Okay, well, I promise.
Get into the building, close by. There's a road. I'm underneath you now.
Audio's good. Awesome. Right, I just. All right. Oh,
I'm trying to
shields.
find health. It's really no health here.
Why do you? Why do you? Wait, Root, why are you at 50% health? What did you do?
What can I say? I was trying my best to find you so
Yeah.
I could, like, you know, heal you and shit.
Yeah.
But in the effort to do so, I didn't see a drop, and then I fell and.
Oh, enemies! Enemies! Enemies!
I'm getting out. I'm saving you.
2 down. Sorry, Root, I'm ignoring you.
Trying to find you. It's okay. I'm also ignoring you. What the fuck was that? I don't know
Down.
where they're going.
There's still. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Just be careful because there might be another group here.
They leave a Sims stink trail. Stink trail from the Sims.
Oh, Ems has a shield. There's a big shield. Oh, hang on, wait. Hang on, wait. Sorry, there's a lot going on.
Health, because I have none.
Take those first, and then take the big shield.
Yeah.
Root,
I
get.
got my own.
Yeah.
Nice. It's not my fault. I'm carrying the team, which is a really bad thing to think about considering what's going on.
What do you mean
Right,
carry?
Root, where are
just
you?
Straight up dropped. I'm here.
Oh, hi, Root. Okay, Root. Health.
I'm gonna grab that shit.
Health.
Hold on.
No, don't take that first.
What? What does that?
Oh, okay. Sorry. No.
Take like the mini ones first.
Yeah, you meant to take the mini ones first, and then the smaller. But it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're learning.
Okay.
We're all learning. We're all learning.
Yeah.
Why is there a fucking order? I'm autistic.
Root. Thankfully, there's another shield here.
I hear more shit.
Yeah, it's fine. We are. That group. There might have been 2 groups earlier, so they might have come back for us, or they might be shooting someone else. Right, let's go this way.
Dog.
Oh, there's a weapon here. If you
I
want
found
it.
a coconut. What the fuck does that do?
It's food.
Like,
Eat it.
sometimes food does something, you know?
The coconut just gives you food. Okay. Do we go in here?
Ooh, that doesn't sound so good.
Rue, did you take that
Yes,
shield?
I'm here.
Yeah, but I know, but I pinged that shield. Okay, let's go back. We're going back!
Where?
To me, go towards Daft Punk, all right? Follow Daft Punk. Follow Guy Manuel, all right?
Okay.
All right? I pinged a shield
Something
for you
stronger.
right here. Take that big shield,
Oh, I didn't
please.
know.
You did, but I pinged it.
Okay, I'm taking it. I'm sipping it.
Drink
I'm
it.
sipping it.
Hello, Kit
I'm
Kat.
sipping it.
Right, are we now good? Excellent.
Yes,
right, let's go
I'm
this way. Let's go
very
towards
good.
the shooting. Rue, are you having fun?
Okay. I'm glad you like my dog, Ems. His name is Thack.
There is a button here. Oh, there's footsteps.
I need to get a pet as
Chat,
well.
there's chat. Guys,
His
there's
foot.
chat,
Chat,
yo,
his
chat.
foot.
There's
Foot,
footsteps
chat.
above us. There's footsteps above us. Just be careful.
Uh-oh.
There's a
Oh,
couple.
Yeah. No.
I'm going to try
Oh,
to
dang
go on the outside. Oh, they might be moving away from us. They might be trying to ambush us.
Ooh.
They might be horny for us.
Here, have some. I have enough.
Who are you talking to? What, horny?
Me?
No, to you.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Sorry.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, she gave me a shield. Alright, let's just be careful, because there are enemies about.
Warwick, I have a weapon for you.
What's the weapon?
The same one you used with the battle royale.
Oh, yes, please!
This one.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yoink.
The big boy.
Big
It would be
boy!
great if we got the golden one.
You can't upgrade it.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, let's be careful. Breaks a loud ass window. Yes, you know how it is. You know how it is.
What are they teaching here? That's why.
It's probably British politics.
Oh,
Yeah, I know.
no wonder it's all deserted.
Yep.
That makes sense.
Oh, the shield's coming in. Oh no, we're fine. We've got a minute. Right, I think we're good. I think we're good.
Yeah, we're rather close.
Right, where's that? Is that a Miku car?
Oh shit!
What?
Arcade.
Root! Don't get distracted by colours and toys.
The shiny things.
Are you good? Hello.
Are they close? Are they close?
Sorry, I got the
Are they close?
legendary weapon.
The clouds are coming in. I'm not sure.
I don't see I don't see
Shooting
footsteps.
at another.
No, I think we're good. I don't see footsteps.
Okay. I saw him for a second.
There we're good.
Wait, Ems.
Oh, now I see
Here,
footsteps. I think they're up there. I think they're up there. I think they're up there. Just be careful.
I'm gonna go this way.
Oh, okay. We're going that way. Okay, cool. Let's stay as a team, shall we?
Yeah, because you have like this zip line. So you can get up higher ground.
Okay,
with
be
the zip
careful,
line,
Rue.
that's why.
Is it? Be careful.
We're playing.
Okay, Rue's not being shot at. Okay, that's fine.
There's a car.
Yeah, but let's not because it's in the.
No, I mean like that means like watch out. Cars means people.
Okay, so Rue, why did we get up here for?
So you can see if there's other people up there on the other side.
Okay. Okay, that just about worked. Okay, that's fine. But that was okay. That's fine. Let's just keep running. Rue, where are you? Are you with them? Okay, let's keep running.
I'm literally on your heels. I
Okay.
am licking them nasty style.
Okay, let's do that later. Let's first of all let's not get caught.
Later.
Yes, because we are
There's
now
only one
in the cloud. Okay, we
I think
should be okay.
Only one ping.
This is fine.
I looked at was like on the border and after it was saying ew 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 ew.
Okay, are we good?
This
Keep
is-
Miku. Okay, you're fine. You're fine. Actually, I quite like calling you guys as by your characters. Miku, Sabrina.
Sabrina, me too.
I can be either daft or punk.
what a cooler.
Are you daft or are you punk?
I think I'm punk out of the two, but you can do either one. Daft is currently unavailable, so I can go by either one.
Still, isn't daft like an insult?
Hey, you know what? You want to find a fun fact, which I actually think is a fun fact, but you may not think it's a fun fact, but it's a legit, actual cool fact. So, you know the band Daft Punk?
Yeah.
The reason why they're called Daft Punk, or some people call it Daft Punk because it's French and those ATs. Let's start running by. Oh no, we're fine. Is because they started as a 3-piece cover band covering sort of like metal music and like punk and stuff. And their name was called Darlin. Darlin with apostrophe on the N with no G. So Darlin apostrophe N. Anyway, they got a review in a magazine, UK magazine. I think it's called Mixmag or one of the magazines or something. And they called it really bad. They said the covers are really bad. And they called it Daft Punk, as in this is rubbish punk, as an insult. So they decided to become robots. You know, as you do. Actually, that was a few years later. But as you decided
that's
to...
a good response to being called daft.
Right? And so they took a bad review. And you can look it up, chat, by the way. You can legit look it up how they got their name. It's legit 100% true. And that's how they got their name. This isn't going anywhere. Are we meant to do anything?
Yeah, I think we have to get out of it.
I thought you wanted
now it's
the high
going.
ground.
Oh, now it's going. Oh, how did we... Oh, all right. And then it became Legends,
Oh,
yes.
I wanted to show you Ems. I got it. I got the emote. It's Eurovision.
Oh, that's what you meant. Okay.
It's not even a winner. It wasn't even like. I think it did score even very high, but it's like easy, like to emote.
Root question: why are you hurt? Why are you not full health? What's going on?
That was the ring. I got clipped by the ring.
You did.
It's so cool he got it.
Oh, there's stuff going on over there. There's a lot of stuff going on there. Do we want to...
Damn.
Are we just carrying on?
What can I say? I'm allergic to bullshit. I'm good at this.
Apparently, roof crashed to the car. Should we just keep going? Should we just keep going? It's a party balloon!
I'm fine with that. It is the party balloon.
Oh, are we crashing? Oh, wait.
Around the world.
The similar to how Spice Girls got the name. The person who wrote the article didn't remember the name, said called them Sporty. Is that how it was? That's amazing. Oh, yeah, we should get out of the circle. That's a good idea. Thank you, X. That's actually a really good idea. We should get out of the circle. Right, is there a car? I really want a car. All right, the circle's coming in. There's no car. They're shooting. We get? Yeah, let's go this way. This is fine.
We're going on a nice little stroll.
Yeah, nice little stroll.
It's in the storm now.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's too far into the storm to get it in time.
That's a car!
It's a vehicle?
It might be 2 people!
I can stand on it. Y'all go in. Miku on top. Miku on top. How are you driving, you idiot?
Anyone who wants meat on top?
People are coming.
How much are you willing to pay for meat on top?
Shit.
Oh, get out!
Whoa! Whoa!
God, I'm a bad aim!
It's
wait.
okay, I'm not good either.
Who's been shot at? Who's been shot at?
I'm gonna
Right,
down.
down.
I'm down. There's one more.
No! Ems, yours on you, Ems. That's it. Let's go. Let's go, Ems. Well done. Well done. Ems, save us.
On the side. But we're fine now.
No, we're not fine. We're not fine. We're not fine. We're not fine.
I'm getting behind the rock.
Behind the rock. Behind the rock.
I'm good.
This is fine. This is fine.
On getting us up.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can both help me. Both help me. Both help me quickly. And we need to run. We need to run.
Oh shit! No!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is going great. We both help Root. Both help Root. Both help Root. Root, stop moving!
Careful.
Oh my God! They're just sniping us. They're just sniping us.
Oh dear.
It's fine. Save me!
I didn't make it.
It's fine.
I didn't make it. It's okay. I'm swimming. I'm swimming good. I'm swimming downstream and they're killing me. It's okay.
Oh no.
Let me go. Let me go.
Right, I'm running.
Ah, fuck.
What's a reboot card?
No! Oh,
floating
we
downstream.
fourth! Damn it! that was a mess.
That was fun though.
That was fun. So
Just cursed this team.
Ems, don't you start, all right? Don't, all right? Me and Ems played last night a few games. We just kept getting fourth. You're not cursed. It's fine. It's fine. We've got this. It was practice round. To be fair, we need to ready up, by the way. We were stuck in a bad place. Also, they're using like a default skip. Wait, is that build? Wait, are we doing building? We're not, are we? Are we?
Wait.
No, we're not.
Are y'all? Have y'all readied up?
We did, and you did ready up, and now you just unreadied.
Oh, because you guys haven't fully loaded for me. Like your textures haven't fully loaded, so I thought maybe you were still like in the other stream.
No, we're dead.
No, as in the lobby. In the lobby, you guys
right.
haven't loaded in. Your textures are missing.
What are you seeing?
Y'all are legit just holograms, blue holograms. Even the holograms that are supposed to be blue.
I'm watching Red
and
Apple.
then like freak out.
And
When they
Hanzu
freak out, you
Panzu.
feel like that the textures are missing.
Yeah, me too. I'm watching the same team.
Yeah, you're in a completely different world there, Roo.
What are we doing?
I don't know what we're doing. I have no idea what we're doing. Oh wait, do we want to? Hang on. Do we want to leave the lobby? Do you want to update your bling? I'm gonna leave the lobby.
My
Roo.
bling?
Yeah. Do you want to update your bling? Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
I need to.
Got to return
I'm
to the
already
lobby.
in a game.
No, you're not. Get out of the game. How are you? Wait. Why are you in a game?
Because I thought you guys were loading in with me. How do I leave the game?
By pressing start.
I don't have a start. I'm here with Ems.
X.
I'm with
Exit.
Ems in the...
Escape. Press escape and then return to lobby.
It says go looking for party.
Stop
Press
looking
the
for a party.
return to lobby.
Yeah, stop looking.
Stop trying to leave us, Root.
I never left. Hold on.
We are the party.
Huh? What did I do?
What did you do?
I don't know. I don't know how to leave. How do you leave?
Escape, and then you have the exit button.
Oh, there it is. I thought that was the exit, like end the fucking game.
I see.
Alright, I'm leaving now. Okay, now y'all have loaded too. Okay, that was hella weird. Y'all were like blue and pink.
Right, Root. You know what you got to do.
Jen?
No. Where's the toilet?
Okay.
Where's my gift I gave you?
Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh no. It looks so nasty. I have it on. I promise.
This is such an old emo. Such an old one.
It's a free one. It's your first one.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I'm showing off.
Daft Punk's on fire.
Yeah.
Someone put him out.
Ames and Root, you need to ready up.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
I'm spacing out.
Root, I need you locked in, alright? This is no funny business. It's not about having fun.
I'm so locking.
Chat.
I'm gonna put on work.
Is Root locking in?
I've locked in. Chat. Am I not locked in for you?
You're locked in.
Where is... Oh, there it goes. Oh. Oh, okay.
Am I not locked in? I thought I was locked in.
Don't call me out! How dare you call me out?
You locked me in?
I'm trying to lock in. We've got our Miku guitars.
It loaded you in with a default character. I was so confused for a
Root,
minute.
what? Your game is haunted.
Where are you?
We're up here.
Oh, hey. I was wondering what the heck.
Root was just on her own game.
I'm just playing Living La Vida Loca, what can I say?
Copyright. That toilet on your back.
It's not my first choice, to be fair.
Right.
Oh, damn.
Every time I hear that song, I always think of Shrek.
I wonder when Shrek comes into the game. Can't wait.
Probably when the 5th one comes out.
Or has the 5th
Yes, please.
Yes.
Fortnite?
No, yeah, the 5th Fortnite. They can go straight to 1 to 5.
When the
no,
5th Fortnite
the 5th Shrek, which I think is in 2027. 100% they will
Oh,
come
I
out.
sure hope it. I hope
Actually,
it
no,
does.
wait, hang on.
Fortnite 5.
Wait, that's a good question, actually. Because it's DreamWorks, isn't it, with Shrek?
Yeah, it is.
Has there been any other DreamWorks properties in Fortnite?
I don't think so.
Not one I'm not aware of.
Because that might actually not be as possible, just because I know Disney has a big monopoly on Fortnite with Star Wars and Marvel and all that stuff. So maybe DreamWorks might not actually. I'm sure they will. They've got everything else in it, but if it's going to happen, it'll probably be when Shrek 5 comes out. I landed it on the golf course. This is great.
I'm
Oh,
just
go!
waiting for SpongeBob.
Go where?
I can't drive the lawnmower. Oh, fine.
You want to drive a lawnmower?
Yeah, or golf cart. Why not play the Guitar Hero levels? I actually like those levels, but I don't like playing it on a controller, standard one. I want to get like an actual Guitar Hero guitar.
Oh, yeah, those.
Yeah,
Those are difficult to get.
they are very difficult and very expensive.
Oh shit! I broke through
that
the glass!
too.
Oh,
Didn't know
okay.
I could
Root's
do
just
that.
killing herself. Okay.
No, it's in my. Miku just fucking jumped through the glass.
Oh, it's me. Oh
door,
no.
like,
Oh, so. Oh right. Okay. So you're Miku, but only when it's going fine. The second Miku does something wrong, you're like, oh no, Miku did it. Miku did it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's Miku's fault. I
I'm
am
coming
Miku.
for you, Roots.
I think Root's
Hell
fine.
yeah, come for me!
Oh my god!
Are you trying to mow my lawn, babe? Like what?
Right.
Are you telling me I have too much bush? Damn.
I mean, that's quite a way to say it, if so. Hang on.
Damn.
Root,
dude,
come
this
here, Root.
carpet be big. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cute.
Take this first.
I already took one sip, but I couldn't
Take
find any
another
more at the
one.
time.
And then...
Yeah, but I didn't know if there was more.
And then... No, don't take my weapon. Don't take my weapon.
I'll take the enforcer.
No, that's mine.
Oh shit! Oh!
God. My room.
The hell?
That was
It's a
cute.
jetpack.
Oh, I was like, what did my shield just do? I was like, what was in that shield?
Powerade, I'm sure.
Ah, got you. Okay, makes sense.
Here, I'm gonna
Baby
do it
subs.
again. Warwick, I'm gonna do it again.
All right. You can do it inside the building.
Probably your subs.
Stop breaking glass.
But it's fun.
Okay, for some reason we keep picking areas that the shield's coming in very quickly. The circle even. So we better start moving. Also, there's not a lot of stuff here. Oh, I've got a jetpack as well. All right. That's mine.
All we need is bullets. I need more
I
bullets.
want better guns.
I think we need a lot of stuff.
Oh,
Oh, there's
I
a
see
car
some-
though! Is
oh,
it?
that's a bad one.
No, it was a Miku car. Oh. Oh, there's a chest here. Hang on, let me break it. There you go.
Oh,
I'm helping you.
thank you. I appreciate the help.
All right. Can you
Hold
get
on,
in?
hold on. Ugh.
Get on, Miku.
I don't think so. I'm on Miku action.
All right, where do we want to
Miku
go?
on top.
Should we
Miku
go?
on top.
Should we go golf carting?
Sure.
4.
That's not a go-kart. That's a lawnmower.
What's that then?
Oh, that. I'm good. I'm not old enough to golf yet.
Actually, wait, Rue, are you able just to get in front of the car just for a second? No.
Like,
Yep, just stay there.
all right. Don't run over my dog.
4! Right.
You're wild and. Let's see.
Let's just
There's
explore
someone
here.
in this car.
Good evening!
Ooh, it's in the shower.
Who's in the shower?
My mum. I mean,
Oh.
what?
Your mum's in FORTNITE.
Yes, I have a great mother.
Does the fish talk? No. Damn. That scared the fuck out of me, Ems. I was like, wait, someone's breaking in. No, we're good. Okay. God, there's not a lot in this game. What the hell is going on here?
I mean, maybe we're just not looking hard enough.
There's some shooting over there.
That's
And not
true.
over here. I'm going to jump down
I
here.
guess.
The hell was that?
Interesting.
That was interesting.
That top. No.
I'm down here for some reason. I'm not really sure why I'm here now. Oh, mantle.
It's the trash.
Mantle. Oh, just do that.
Mental what?
Yeah, I do. What we pinging?
There's people.
People where? You don't know. Cool, excellent.
Hold
Cool.
on
There's-
here.
Chat, there's people.
I think I accidentally.
Did you ping Root? There's people! It's Root.
No, I pinged where I heard
rude thing.
gunshots.
Okay.
It's all very quiet. There's people in this game, I know, right? Imagine. Ooh, legendary assault rifle. Yes, please. Oh, very nice. Okay. Ooh, hello, names. Do you want to fire? There you go. Enjoy.
What's with these gnomes? What does this do?
Wait, where are you two? M's Root, not to alarm you, but the wall's coming in.
Yeah, we are on the edge of the wall. We'd be there so fast.
Well,
Look, all
We're
right.
already in.
Next time, maybe I won't be concerned for you. How about that, all right?
We appreciate the thought.
Right, I'm going to break this so no one else can use it. Oh, there's a lot of shooting going on. All right, let's be careful.
Rift anomaly.
Anomaly. And it's like that in Finding Nemo. All right, let's be careful. There's some shooting.
I am the one do.
Oh.
Ooh.
Is it?
okay.
Oh, they're in a car. Okay, don't shoot. They're in a car. And they just drove off. Oh, they're now stuck. Okay.
Over there.
Oh, there's two of them. I think one of them's got a big shooty. Okay, I think one's... Wait, is one down? Oh, yeah. I'm going to try to shoot
Damn,
some-
you took out his fucking flight thingies.
Right, where are... Oh. One's downed.
I have one inside here.
Right, downed. Are they all downed? Oh no! One's running! Bride, get over here!
Hello. Yo, your favorite guns are here.
The bride's almost down. I'm gonna chase the bride.
Oh, damn. You want to get married too?
No, I want to kill the bride.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Downed. They are dead. The group's dead, and I'm almost gone as well, but I'll be fine. Shields coming in. Shields coming in. Shields coming in. Shields coming in. Shields coming in.
Down.
Also need some health badly.
I'm collecting.
Oh, damn it.
There's a car. Who's got a car?
There's a car here on top.
Okay, who's driving a car?
Not us.
Okay, thank you. I need some health. I need some health badly because I'm going to be down any second. We need to prepare for that car over there. No, I don't need. Oh, no, sorry. It's shields I need. Sorry, it's not health. Shields. Sorry.
Yeah, I thought so.
Sorry. I was like.
Self-revive device. I got
Root.
some.
It's almost like Root's playing her own game.
No, I'm reading. I got a legendary chug jug. You want some?
Yes, please, but save it.
Then get your butt over
No,
here.
save it on you. Save it on you. Save it.
All right.
We'll rather save that for all of us later on.
backpack
Oh,
is
shooty! Haha. Yeah, they got big weapons. Alright. Oh, Root's just zipping over. Okay, let's go join
There's
Root.
people over there.
There's people in our Christian Minecraft Fortnite game.
Minecraft Fortnite game, yes.
Let's
Do you
be
want,
careful.
Bro, Warwick.
Yes.
Come over here and
do
get
not,
your
do
fucking
not, no, please don't use that. The reason why, because that will help all of us. We'll rather have it for all of us than just me. I'm okay.
I don't know what you want from me. I'm probably gonna
Root,
do it wrong anyway.
I just want you to survive right now, okay?
All right, let's
They're
do it.
shooting.
Yeah,
There's a
let's
lot going
get
on,
it.
so let's ignore them. Oh, the car might be coming towards us, but just ignore it. Nope, they're coming towards us. They blew up.
Hell yeah.
There's 3 of them.
Up there. Down behind.
They're down here. I'm shooting them. One's almost down, but not quite.
No good.
There's 3 of them. Also, use that chugger. Put it down, Root. Put it down.
I don't know how to put it down.
Put it down. Just I don't think you can use it actually, so it's not one of those. It's just for yourself actually, I think. Sorry, my mistake. I thought it was one that for all of us. It's a different chugger.
Like, then tell me how to drop it so
Don't
you
worry
can
about it.
get it.
I can't because there's a lot of shooting going on right now.
They're shooting from above.
Got him. Headshot.
Nice, but that's not the group that we're looking for. I don't think.
No, but at least we can't be shot from up top again.
Good point. So there's a lot going on. Chat, we got this, right? Okay.
Take out the ones that are fucking with you the most.
Did the other ones despair? Oh shit, they're shooting us again.
Y'all still good?
They're shooting me. They're still at the top. Shoot them.
They're flying away, I think.
No, they're not. But I am. I have to get out of it because I'm literally 20 health. I need to go.
Got it.
Ems is down.
Woo!
Ems is down.
Oh fuck.
There's oh my god.
Boom, baby.
By car.
Oh, they're coming for me.
It's a pigeon.
They're jumping all funny.
Right, I'm coming towards you. Oh my god, there's so much going on. Ems, are you still alive or are you gone?
No, I'm gone.
Root.
I have a car here too.
Yeah, Root.
You want me
Root.
to grab it?
Okay, no, Root, stop! Wait, Root, let me get in.
Yeah.
We just go.
Oh, where?
Get out, well, just get out. Just keep driving. Oh my god.
Alright.
Just keep driving. Just don't stop. Don't go towards the shooting. Do not go towards the shooting. Ems, we will avenge you, hopefully, somehow.
Where's Ems?
Ems is
Can we
dead.
not pick her
I'm
up?
dead.
Ems is gone.
Why is there sad music playing? Ems!
Oh wait, no,
No!
wait. Do we have your card? No, we got your card. We got your card. Root, we got your card. You see where the little reboot thing, the little blue thing on the map?
No.
Go towards the map. Yeah.
Yes,
oh my
I
god.
see it on the-
You see it? We have to go towards that.
Okay. Okay, got it.
We did get your card. We will avenge you, Ems.
I hear a sound.
Yeah, then
It's fine. Don't worry about the sounds. Root, where you going? Root, where you going? You're going away from it. That's it.
I'm trying to find the right way up. There you go. Can you get it?
We can drive in. Drive in. Drive in. Go left.
Oh, there's people.
There's
around
people.
us. Oh,
Oh, shit.
Oh no, not here. Not here. Not here. Not here.
here it is.
Okay.
Get out.
Yeah. No. There's too many people here. There's too many people here.
Okay, you got it.
Oh my god. Wait. Is there
Got
another
it,
one near
princess.
us?
Where you want to go next?
Okay. Okay. No. Okay.
don't think
Let's
so.
go back. Let's go back. Let's bring Ems
where?
back. If we die together, then we die with
Right.
Ems. I don't know how I'm
Alright.
alive. Right. You keep driving. I'm gonna jump out. You keep driving. Don't stop.
Okay.
Right. Don't stop.
Got it. I'm not stopping. Tell me when they need to pick you up.
Ems, we're going into the circle. Okay. Damn it! I'm
shit.
downed.
Hi.
Root.
I tried.
They went high.
Yeah. What do you want me to do? Woo!
Well, I'm dead
I'm
now,
down.
so it's all on you, Root.
Oh, that's
Just
not
survive. Just leave me.
I'm
Leave me.
on you.
Go into the circle.
Leave the car. Leave the car.
Okay.
No, don't leave the car. It's fine. Now in your circle, just survive, Root.
I'm
It's now
very low
all on you.
fuel. I can't do this.
You can do this. And yeah, there were camping in River Spot.
It's
There are some sweats.
starting to short
Okay,
out.
it's fine. Go into that building. Into that building.
Got
That
it.
is your safe haven. Don't drive into it.
All right.
Close the door.
No,
Close
it's
the
out
door.
of-
Close the doors. I know it's weird, but just so you can hear them if they come in. All right. Now the map is going to close in 30 seconds. You need to go into that circle again. So you have to move, but hopefully they shoot each other. So it's fine. Okay. It's all good. You got this.
What the fuck I'm gonna do?
It's fine. You've got a load of cool stuff. That's not great, but that's fine.
I'm outside, babes.
Right, but now you need to try to not die.
I'm trying to be as sneaky as I can.
So let them do not engage. Do not engage. Let them
I'm
shoot each
not
other.
engaging.
Yeah.
I don't want to get near.
Miki does not engage in stuff that she does not need to. Oh, there's two people there, Root. Oh, Root. The jetpack. The jetpack. Use the jetpack. Jetpack.
Okay. Ooh.
Use it. And
Got
just
it.
go. Just go and just stay in the air. Stay in the air. Okay.
Woo.
That's it. Now you want to change. That's it. Now that's it. Now hide and just survive.
Oh.
Okay, 6. You're doing great. It's 5. There's 5 left. There's 2 groups and you. You're fine. Use your shield. Drink it. It's not a one for everybody. It's just for yourself. So you just drink it. Nice. And you can. Lovely. Make sure you're okay. You got this. Okay, let them kill each other, and hopefully what will happen is each shot. That toilet is terrifying, by the way. Sorry, just to see the face. Hopefully they shoot each other with one shot each, and they just both go down.
Why the fuck did you give me that?
Okay, don't
Yeah,
engage.
each other.
Just stay. It's fine.
Oh,
Oh, one's coming towards you, Root. That's it, Root! Great! That's it! Just keep doing that! Just keep doing that! Nice. That's it. Crouch, that's it. That's it, Root. You're carrying us. Let's go, Root. Make sure you pet your doggo as well. Pet chat as well. Pet chat. Got to make sure you. There you go. Got to pet chat. You know. Even see 4 left. There are 4 left, including you, Root. Okay. So you want to start moving now. So you want to get out of here towards the circle, not towards the people, but just hang or hug the edge of it, But be ready to fly away. You just keep hugging it.
I'm so.
You got this.
I'm so edging it.
Can you see my card in the background over there, just haunting
Yes, I
you?
see it. It looks really sad.
Crouch. That's it. Keep going.
I'm
You good?
The esports coach.
Yeah. I told you, I seem to be better as a coach than actually playing the game. Like when I was playing Peak. That's it, Root. You got this. You got this. Okay, there's 4 left. Oh, there's someone near you. Root, good effort. Good effort. Good effort.
Oh
Okay.
no, they kicked me! They kicked me down the thing!
I think you got a self-revive, Root. No!
I don't think they
don't. That's unfortunate. Good effort. Oh wait, sorry, it's not duos, it's trio, so it was just one group left. Damn it.
Yeah.
Damn. Second place though, good work. But yeah, there's ragdolls and mechanics in this game now.
I got fucking kicked off a fucking mountain.
I can't believe they kicked Miku.
They got my claw.
I got a news van.
Oh, did you leave the game? Did you go back to the lobby? Right.
Yeah.
Did you go back to the lobby? Did you?
You guys want to go to the lobby after all the time?
Wait, no, really did that to get Ems in and get you a toilet. Right, back to the lobby then.
Sorry.
That's all right. Welcome in,
Those were all
Raiders.
just raided in with their community.
Everyone say hi to the Raiders.
Miku Beam.
Everyone says hi to the Raiders apparently. Fraser's good to see you. Welcome in. How you doing? Thank you for the raid. Welcome in. I'm not muted for this. No, I'm joking. Sorry. I was hoping that Root and Ems would say hi to the Raiders, but I guess not.
I did shout them out.
Thank you, Em. Okay, you know what? I'll let you off, Ems. And Root's just ignoring me.
I'm not ignoring you. You were greeting the raiders. So
I was asking you to greet them as well for me, but no, whatever. I'll just deafen
sorry.
you. Sorry, I'll deafen them now. Welcome in, Raiders.
Not the first time.
What's that? I'm so glad that I'm deafened for that. Fraser, how was your stream? Welcome in. We're playing a bit of Fortnite with some friends. Just having a good time. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for popping in. How was your stream?
That calendar character is so cute.
I'm just going to take a quick minute, do my raid video and just go for a very quick break. So I'll be back in a second. I will do. Bye. Raiders, welcome in. My name is Warwick. We're back over break first. We've got Divorce and Nada. I'm talking. Yeah, I know. We're going through a whole process here, Morton. It was great. Fundraising. Oh, you do Jingle Jam. Oh, heck yeah. Well done. Good work, Fraser. Good work. I'm going to snooze the ads. We're just playing some Fortnite and hanging out with some friends and kicking butt. We got first, fourth, and second. So I think it's all right. Anyway, I'll be right back. Going to play the raid video. So enjoy, and we'll see you very shortly, chat. Hey there, everybody. My name is Warwick, and welcome to the channel. What you'll find here is a lot of wholesomeness, a lot of chaos, and almost certainly quite a few scares. Ah! You fucker. Suck my knife. I'm not doing that.
Eat my splooge, Warwick.
Human Shrek, all right? You happy? Ah! Die. Thank you. You loving this, Charles? Don't be fun. Don't. Ah! Look at all the balls. Let's go, speed boost. We are in space. Oh, nice cut. Did you get stuck?
Yeah.
Are you happy? I have big shoulders. I am the legendary fart master. Fuck. Woof, back, woof, woof. I didn't master anything. I was just... It's a heart, all right? Don't question it. These are not drugs. They're a funeral. I'm spinning a record. Living my cat fantasy, and I'm loving it. Meow. He's just a really, really big moustache. No! My name is Alex. Nice. Yes! Oh! What do you think? Oh, I like it very much. No! We are back. Hi, everyone. Anyway, again, Fraser, thank you so much for the raid. Well done on raising money for Jingle Jam. Great work. And I will say, anyone who does raid, thank you. I'm very proud of it. Anyone who does raise money for charity is not always just about the money. I'm not saying that, you know, whatever amount you raise is amazing, but it's always about awareness of these charities. So if you're ever out there thinking, I don't have a platform, or I can't really do much, or you may not raise the money you would like, remember that it is about awareness of a charity and the fact that you put yourself out there to support a cause that's close to you, and that should be celebrated. So never, ever think that you aren't doing enough. I always try to say that to people. I actually did a charity stream a while ago where it was for Samaritans, and it was no alerts, no nothing for it. It was literally just talking about my mental health journey, and it was just, yeah. And then, by the way, got shared chat, so there's a very different vibe going on in Root's channel right now. Gamer subs! Use code Warwick for gamer subs for 10% off! Hi!
Warwick! What kind of gamer subs is your favorite?
My favorite is Lean.
Who? Lean?
Yeah, it's like a peach. Is it peach lemonade or lemonade or something? I don't know. I like it. I haven't tried titty milk yet. I got titty milk to try, but I'm currently drinking nuclear pops bombsicle queso's one.
I think my
I've not tried the
favorite is
queso one.
sploosh after my red. Like basically for those who really love coconuts, and I know Warwick does
wish
not
I liked coconut. I really wish I liked coconut. I just don't like
this one
coconut.
is straight up coconut.
Yeah. But no, I'm actually legit sponsored by them or partnered by them, which is wild to think about. How? I don't know.
You decide. You're a VTuber, Jason.
I am. I'm with blue hair, pronouns, and just everyone's problem. Anyway, yes, Root, yes.
I need to get the new gamer sub, so I might just try either the queso one.
It's really good. The queso one's like a ice popsicle. It's really tasty.
Oh, I want it.
It's nice.
Because I have titty milk, which is really tasty, and I have
really want
the anime girl thighs.
I've got
but
both
anime
to
girl
try.
thighs taste really good, but it should have been like an ice cream flavor, because it tastes as a drink when you like add only water to it. It tastes a bit too artificial.
Oh, okay.
And that's like an unfortunate side effect of like some of the like drinks that you add water to, you know?
Yeah.
So it does taste good if you add it to another kind of drink already. Then it does taste really good. But by itself, it does have that strong artificial flavor still.
When I drink like blowhole, I add some tonic water.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Have you tried mixing different Gamer Subs flavors together? I know some people do that.
It's good.
Oh really?
Yeah. People in the Gamer Subs Discord, like people are mixing, like doing some weird stuff, like they're mixing like 3 or 4 different flavors. Some of them don't work as well as others.
More flavors.
Understandably so.
All that hopping.
Also, I think someone accidentally, wasn't me by the way, decided for some reason to put carbonated water with Gamer Subs, which is fine as it is, but they shook it.
Oh no, yeah, that's
and they went, oh wait, the whole thing just went everywhere. It's like, you can't do that, but just don't be as forceful with the shaking.
Just in general, don't shake something that's carbonated.
There you go,
It's
chat.
the general.
Just don't.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Nightbot, jeez.
Nightbot is so mean.
Nightbot is mean. Spamming symbol.
Yeah, it doesn't like when spam symbols, so I undid it. Ohayo. Annyeonghaseyo. Genki nano. Sorry, they're fluent in Korean and Japanese, but their English is not perfect, and that's okay. So I try to meet them halfway.
You know Korean and Japanese?
No, the person in chat knows those 2 languages, so I try to meet them halfway by speaking like the limited amount that I do know.
That's cool.
Hello, hi nuke. Like
Also,
for example,
not to cut you off, Irene. You can carry on talking. Do you want to ready up?
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. It's fine. Carry on.
I also switched from Miku to Gooner bait. I thought that would help with the views.
Okay. Okay. Are we doing Gooner bait? Okay. Let me. Right. Are we doing our best Gooner bait? All right.
Yeah. Gooner bait.
Gooner bait.
Right. Switch to
What North Korean? No. General, just South Korean. I wouldn't say North Korean.
Oh, what's a good Gooner bait to have?
Where is she?
Damn, that's a good Gooner. Not a Warwick.
What?
I mean, this worked for someone.
I'm going for Lady Gaga.
That would be funny if Root mixed up and learned North Korean instead. Thanks, I'm from North Korea. No, you're not. Oh, well, that's good Gooner bait. I do remember when the internet was just a wee lad that basically Simpsons Gooner shit was all over the place. I picked. No, you're not.
Yes. What's up?
It's a sleeper buddy, exactly. You know what, Warwick? Actually, I think this can do something for someone. Oh, that has done something for people.
With the Miku bag. And the shoe.
Yeah.
Wait.
What? Perfect.
The slippers.
Oh my god, that's so cute. I don't even know what that is. This is absolutely the Gooner spot from Monster Fuckers.
You know what's really funny? Have you done the creative in Fortnite?
I don't know what creative is.
Basically, like creative games. Like if you scroll down, you see like these different games. It's like some of this AI crap, but some of it's actually pretty good. It's basically made by Epic and other people, like Squid Games. You got some horror stuff. It's like Roblox, but in Fortnite. This alien skin isn't allowed in some of the games because it's not apparently PG.
What you mean not PG? Is it showing straight up hot? What is that thing doing?
I don't know what's happened, but you keep unreadying when you dance.
I do, because I wanted to do something real quick. Hold on.
Oh, what are you doing?
I need to grab my trusty translator. I'll be back in a sec, I promise.
Oh?
My problem is I can understand a lot of Japanese when it's spoken, but I can't fucking read it.
I mean, that's still really impressive though, like legit.
So I need to like use my translator to like have it read out for me.
You're good. You do what you need to do.
I'm streaming now. Stay safe, you idiot.
Hello, Doctor. Oh, posture stretch. Oh, I should have called my cat Jonesy. Damn it! That's fine.
What's Jonesy? Isn't that like what's it called? Isn't that like a not a slur? What is it called? Like an urban dictionary term?
A slur.
Oh no, that's goatsing. That's goatsing.
No. Isn't it the cat's name in Alien?
I don't remember.
It's a slur. God. There you go, chat, add that to my Google document.
What do you mean that's quiet to stretch? Quiet.
Look at
English.
Look at it. This is such a weird image.
Sorry. I think the last time, I think this is a throwback because last time when we played this game, we were talking about goatseeing for a moment. I do remember that explicitly because I literally told your tail is rock hard, by the way.
Well, thank you very much.
It doesn't have physics. It's straight. His tail. straight up, like a cut like a knife.
Yeah, thank you, Maud. Erect. You didn't want to say the word, did you, Root?
I thought I said erect.
You said rock hard. Right, where are we dropping, Root? We're going to Riptides.
Oh.
Is that okay with you, Root?
I yet have to.
Root's already out. Okay, cool.
Really? You wanted to go there, right?
Wait, where?
Oh, yeah.
Where the ping is, yes.
Ping the location.
Yeah, no, but you could have probably stayed in the bus a little bit longer.
I thought I already did stay along. I love riding bullets. I need more bullets. Hello, darling. Hello, Abysmal. How is you? Hello, Cody.
Welcome in, everybody. Welcome to the share chat.
Ignore Skibidi on my back. It's the most horrific thing I have ever seen.
That was your Christmas present from me, Root.
Oh, thank you, Warwick. I
Thank
really
Yes.
appreciate that you thought of me
Yes.
like that.
I'm glad.
I feel graced with your care for me in this festive season, and
Okay.
just having someone think about me makes me feel a lot better about being alone sometimes, and that really makes me feel elated.
Oh, there's people dropping.
I know I don't sound like it, but I promise it's real.
Get the gun. Gun.
Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, I got a shoot.
Oh, someone's down.
Fine, feminine.
Someone's down. I love Root's just in her own little world.
Well, I didn't know where y'all were jumping.
We were jumping where we pinged.
Well, yeah, I didn't know there was people there. I'm just living my best
You
life.
are living, yeah, but we want to continue living.
There's someone here. There's someone here.
Who's shooting?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
I got him.
Someone's chasing me, and I've forgotten what I'm doing. Apparently,
I got him.
nice. Root, are you okay?
I am some.
Fantastic. This is great.
I need to eat. Hold on, I'm hungry.
What, eat or in-game eat?
In-game eat.
Oh, okay. I thought, I mean, it's a bad time to go for a break, but you do you, I guess. Oh, I found Skibidi toilet. Oh. This is going great, chat. I can hear things. Why are we always out of the frickin' cloud?
I don't know. Why are we?
Question.
I know why, because we keep picking edge of maps. Okay,
Do we have
I'm
a car? Somewhere.
I do not have a car, but I'm going to say hi to the bride. No, this is not a bride, this is a random robot. Hello, random robot. Dummy. Battle pass. Battle bus, okay. Oh, I've got 10,000 XP for that. Okay, cool. Oh, there's a car over there, there's a car. You two get a car, there's a car. I'm going to keep running. Because I want to get this this blade. There's a blade here for some reason. I don't know what it is.
Who is that in the distance walking?
Is
that
a
an NPC
random dummy.
character?
Yes.
Hello. Ask about the battle bus. Upgrade an upgradable weapon? I don't have any. Oh, thank you.
Okay,
though.
what's this yellow thing?
You know what? I wouldn't mind to go eat in a place called the Pizza Pit. Was it a Pizza Pit? Yeah, it was a Pizza Pit.
I'm
It looks
doing
really
something.
cute. Oh, no, I did notice. Whoopsie. Whoopsie.
Oh, we're running! Who's shooting me?
What's with the music?
It's me! Who was shooting?
It's from a
Not me.
Oh, Roger ping again.
This is such a weird game.
They're playing in from there.
Oh, I'm so not healthy.
Oh shit.
Right, I'm gonna buy someone.
You're gonna
I
buy.
I can't buy someone.
As well.
I also have a med kit. Can we share med kits?
No.
But I got one.
Okay. It's okay. I'll use this. Oh, sorry, that was me. I got trigger happy.
Can I buy them now? Where did you go? You disappeared.
It's here.
Damn, girl, you're looking hot as fuck.
Has anyone got any money? I need 150 gold.
Wait, Ems, don't you need this? The flask thing?
Does someone want to drop 150 gold if they got any gold?
I think I full on smaller ones.
Does
Okay.
anyone have 150 gold?
I don't have any.
How do you drop money?
You go into the... Oh, okay, she's doing her way. Thank you. Right, she's now us. Okay, let's go.
Oh, the thing.
Oh shit.
Why am I'm stuck in here? Wait, I'm gonna go. Keep going. I will find you.
Fine.
I couldn't open the door for some reason. Hi.
Gonna constantly bear the...
Y'all good?
Yeah.
Damn.
This is going great.
Yeah, sometimes my gun goes off on their own. And I'm like, alright. I see something I like. Ooh.
Oh,
Wait
there's
a minute. Dang, girl.
Okay. Wait, can I fly with this?
I mean, you can always try.
Down the road. Oh, there's a car over there. Be careful.
Yeah.
Like, on the left, you mean?
There's people in
Not
there.
the refi one.
Oh yeah.
But let's not worry about them because it's in the circle. Let's just keep going.
That's okay. There's one on the right. On the right, enemy.
Let's just keep running.
Why did we bring Cat Holloway? Not that I hate her, but I'm just curious.
Because we've got an extra person.
I mean, that is fun. She looks hella hot, though. I get it.
I need that. Heal. Let them shoot each other. We'll just keep running.
Okay.
Oh, someone's coming towards us.
Damn, that stank trail. Be nasty.
There's people here.
Ooh. There's a big...
There's car as well. There's a lot going on here. Why are we here?
She's here.
She's downed. But there's more people. No! They shot me! They shot the alien with the Miku and the... Oh, wow, that was
I'm not gonna make it.
No, we're not
I
gonna...
have no
None of us
health.
gonna make it. None of us gonna make it. Just accept it.
Oh no.
I'm gonna try. Oh, I didn't.
The second you said I'm gonna try. Right, don't exit the lobby.
Okay, play again.
Yes.
Just ready up.
There we go.
How do I get stuck in a
That was unfortunate. That was so unfortunate.
I lost the better scenery.
Have a go on, bye. Have a good sleeps.
Night, bye.
Oh, actually. Okay, so what?
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot going on right now.
I wish it was a
There we go.
separate setting for like expectations.
Oh, look. It's a duck.
I think there's ones for lobby.
I'm a
But
duck.
I don't know if that affects that.
I think lobby and spectator are two different things because spectator is in-game, lobby is in lobby. Now it's stuck in my head. Fuck.
Nope. Okay.
Sabrina Carpenter is sniping from the rooftops. What a moment. What a moment to be
Have a
alive.
good luck,
Never
X.
thought I'd say that.
Right, where do we want to go?
I don't know. Where do y'all want to go? I have no preference. And
Latte
I know
Landon.
fuck all about it. Alright.
Root, that's not the team
Alright.
spirit.
I
Lord.
mean, I am okay with it.
Okay, the bad pass was broken,
We're getting coffee.
but if you look on the side of it, it's now been fixed. So there's a 80% chance of the bus, but there's still 20% chance of
I don't like
surfing.
when the back of my head is just Skippy toilet. I don't like it.
I don't know what to
But
tell
I
you.
appreciate you.
There's so
I
many
still
people
appreciate
dropping
you.
here. Why is there so many people dropping here? There's so many things on my map.
Do we abort? Do we abort?
No, we're locking in.
Alright, I'm locking into the jet ski looking things. Oh, they're just boats. They're general just
All right,
boats.
I'm gonna go here.
Where is the money?
Okay, I got a pistol. Great. This is fantastic. Except someone behind me. Someone's in the
shit.
water.
Ooh, I'm also in the water.
Someone's down. Someone's down.
Ooh, I'm also going down soon. Ooh. It's not very good. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. This asshole is here. Oh, okay, that's foul.
Okay, Root, we'll come for you.
Oh, I found a box.
They're camping my.
They're camping your body. Is it how many? How many are there?
I can't see. It basically switches to M's POV, so I don't know.
Okay.
Damn, M's, that was great.
Right. I'm coming, Ems.
Fucking just whipped it out and broke him.
I hate when they whip it out.
No, though. There's
Ems.
still more. That's the guy that killed me.
The group's down. The group down. The group down. The group down. Stop! Hey, stop moving. God, this takes forever, doesn't it?
It does. It's really slow.
Right. Let's grab Root's card. Is there a?
Welcome in.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Is there a respawn point here?
Yes.
There is. There is. Let's go towards it.
At
Ems.
M's.
Here. If you go together, we'll do it faster.
Sure.
Ems, get out.
You can write it.
Oh, apparently you can drive it. Okay. Press.
I mean, that's
Okay.
good, right?
Yeah, maybe actually. Oh,
Oh my god, I'm rebooting.
let's go.
Oh, my butthole.
Right, I think we're good. Let's
I'm
explore.
landing. I need more bullets.
Let's go.
Remember to heal yourself. Here, I have bandage. How do I drop shit? How do
I don't need a
drop?
bandage, but if you need one, go for it.
You
Ems,
play
hold
on
on.
keyboard,
Can I?
so it's
Yes.
Alt, and then you just
Alt?
grab it, whatever you need to put down.
Oh, doesn't work. It. Hold on.
You just put it down.
Oh, I see. There you go. I dropped it. There you go.
Okay, here's something.
I need a gun. Oh, there's more bandage here. Ems. And more here too. Upstairs. So you can get them heals on.
Look at you lot pinging and helping each other, like a team.
What can I say? I care for y'all. Wait, Warwick, this is your gun.
What? Oh, it is my gun. I mean, you can have it if you want. If you want to try it out.
No, I'm good. I'm
You
not
good?
good with those.
All right. Nice. Hee 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 hee. Ooh, big shield.
Okay.
I don't see any small shields anywhere.
Those.
So I think just drink it, just so you got something.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink it.
Drink it up, drink it up, drink it up. Reese's bus. Let's just MQ this car.
Shut.
There we go, MQ that car.
Who
So
needs
wait,
milkshakes?
we've got gamer subs.
Oh wait, no, that's my chat.
What?
They redeemed something freaky that says I need more milkshake, and I'm like, what do you mean you need more milkshake?
So can we just drive this?
Yeah.
I guess so.
Can you
Why
like
are you
in?
driving up? With that? I mean,
That's interesting. That we can do that.
All
you're
right.
deaf. Calm down. I'm not deaf. I think the redeem is stuck on screen too.
Is it stuck on stream?
Oh, no, it was stuck. It was like slowly continuing. I am both deaf and locked in, okay? I hear nothing when I'm locked in.
Are you good, Root?
Selective hearing. I
Do you
think.
want us to?
No, wait, stop.
I'm making noises as well.
I need to grab some.
You good?
I need
Oh,
to grab
okay.
some for-
Okay. There's a actually
I need,
we might as well explore because there's some more stuff
I
here.
needed my gamer sub. Sorry, I can't do without. What is this goo? Sus goo.
I think it's
the
goo.
fuck is a sus goo?
Susku.
Yes, it's sus
Oh.
sus goo. Premium. Oh, ew. Stop sussing all over me.
Does nothing.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Oh, there's an underground thing here. Oh, get over here, Ems.
Yeah.
No, Ems. You want to do it together, so then we get all the stuff together.
Oh.
Ems.
Yeah. I'm here.
There you go.
Boom.
Oh, they're
there's people
shooting.
upstairs.
We got this right. I love I just stole the
fuck
gold.
is Fortnite. They redeemed something called Fortnite.
What redeemers do you have? Oh, this looks good in here.
It's Tangia. I don't know what it does.
Oh, Ems.
Another shug.
Ems.
I can't seem to.
Why you guys? Oh, you're not with me. Okay, I found a bunker. Never mind. Hi, Kitty. Ems, over.
I hear people upstairs.
Yeah, let them shoot each other. Nice, and just one for good measure. Nice. Oh, big ammo. Nice.
Nice.
I quite like this area. Oh, we have to move soon, unfortunately. Okay. So let's hope they shoot each other when they both all die. Okay.
I haven't wished for someone to die in a long time.
When was the last time you wished for someone to die, Root?
Probably in a game where it was really testing my patience.
You know
Doesn't
what?
happen very often.
Let me grab. Let's go. Where's the car? Where did I park it? It's over here.
I don't know.
Let's go driving. Do you love the Miku backpack with the slippers and the alien?
I like it a lot. It's very, it's full of character.
Oh, sorry. Patty, Root, you're now driving.
Oh yeah, where are we going?
Outside, not that way. Not that way, but that's where the clouds coming in. We want to just get inside.
I'm trying, but this is a steep hill.
Steep hill.
Steep hill.
Wait, can I emote?
Yes, you can.
I'm thinking
Oops, sorry.
It's fine. You can't stop the dancing.
Exactly. I'm not stopping you from throwing it down. Oh, that's upstairs.
That's
Hell
a tree,
yeah.
Root.
Hold on.
Hold on, one.
What the hell? Oh, hello, Balloon. Wait.
Hello.
Root? Hello, Root. You good?
I need to go to the bathroom. 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
God damn it. There's no bathroom here.
Damn it.
God damn it. Well, we're in the ring still, so lucky
Just
us.
about, actually. That's a very good point.
Yeah, isn't that very smart of me?
Do we want to go try to aim over there?
Over where?
I pinged it.
Over
Where the
there.
road
Oh, there.
yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, that's outside. Never mind. That's outside the circle. Ignore me. Follow the smiley
that
balloon.
way. It's on the border, so why would that matter all that much? Let's just go. Let's visit.
Okay.
And your gun's here too.
Root, do you want a big gun? Do you want to always have a big gun?
Good.
We can all have a big gun though.
I don't feel like overcompensating for something I don't have.
Okay, what about if you overcompensate for me?
I guess I can do that.
Yeah.
Look at us!
Alright, let's see. What's in here?
I think this has been ransacked already, looking like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, but I love picking up ammo nonetheless. You never
I think they've picked up ammo.
Still there.
Yeah, they didn't pick up everything.
No, nobody picked up the alien.
I guess they might
good point,
have been in a
yeah.
hurry.
No, they're just sloppy.
Ew.
What the hell's that noise? Oh, there's an enemy over there. Oh.
Meow.
Meow 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 meow. Meow.
Oh, here's the toilet. Let me do my thing.
Yeah,
real quick.
you run away from.
Going.
Okay, there's quite a big group of enemies over there, so let's not go
Dang
over
it.
there.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Oh, that's the ring. I didn't notice until it was in my face.
So I keep pressing the wrong button. Right, let's go. Wonky Land. Let's go for a bit of a drive.
Okay, got it.
Let's go to the fun fair. Oh wait, what music shall I play? Oh, you can't do jam tracks on the track. Okay. Well, I'm not getting on controller route, so you know, it's fine. Just keep going.
Don't worry, I am Jesus behind the wheel. I smell their stinker.
Oh, there's another car?
Oh,
Keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. Oh, the other way, that's it. Yeah, the other way. Just keep driving. I'm still emoting. Oh, we're going up here. Oh, okay.
I mean, I thought it was a nice place to go.
I don't think so. I think. Oh, okay, we're stopping here. Okay, cool. Right, okay, that's fine.
Oh yeah, it's almost out of fuel. That's why.
I can't open the door. What? That was weird. I couldn't open the door.
Oh, I hear something behind me. I hear something
Yeah, it's just
behind
shooting
me.
that I was shooting earlier.
Oh my god, it's behind.
Well,
What?
there was no more fuel.
I can't.
So.
My game's broken. I can't. Okay, I'll do that. I can't pick up anything. My game is currently broken.
It's okay. It happens.
Oh shit.
All of the skill issues. Ooh.
Root, help out. Right, pies down, pies down, pies down, pies down. Let's go. Let's run, 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 run. We're almost in a circle. Almost in a circle. Right here. Oh, there's more people. There's more people. One's down. There.
Boom.
And there's one more party person left. Nice. Okay, there's one more. Someone. They might have gone. Oh, they're rebooting. There. There.
There.
Oh damn! The gays are falling from the sky. I love that. When can I go?
Nice. Pies down.
Damn,
Pies down.
you
Nice, nice.
fucking ripped them
I
up.
can't pick anything up. My game's broken. I literally cannot pick anything else up.
What do you want to pick up?
Nothing. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Right.
Okay. Got it.
Also, I can't drive either. What? I can't even.
Wonky.
I can't get in. I have to run. I can't get in the cars. For some reason,
Hey, go
one of
jump
my
on
buttons
it.
aren't
Go
working.
jump
Hit
Go
me
jump on
forward.
it.
Hit me forward. Okay, well, that right, sure. Right, I'm just gonna keep running. You just get out. Get.
Oh shit! Damn, this driving is kind of epic.
I can't press X for some reason. Thank you. Oh, that hurts me. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. just keep driving. Just keep driving. It's fine. Why can't? Oh, I can reload, but I can't pick up anything or enter vehicles.
Be careful with your pussy plug.
I'm trying to. Okay, we're good. We're good. I let area.
All right.
Oh God, there's gonna be a lot of it. There's gonna be. Oh, high up, high up, high up, high up.
Yeah, high up.
They're shooting me.
Damn, they are quite strong. Ooh. Behind you. M's behind you. They took the cart.
Oh, really?
Oh, bye. You seen them up there?
Yeah, they're up there.
I mean, we need to go that way anyway. So
Yeah, you go. They're shooting on me. So you keep get into the circle, you two. They're following me. I'll be bait.
Bait for what? Whatever came out
They're
of that
following me.
thing,
No, keep
I don't
get in the
like
circle. Go. Don't worry about me.
Okay.
I can't press X on anything. Why can't I press X on anything? I literally can't do anything.
I can't shoot them. I'm gonna die. God damn it. They're here. Ems, I'm dead. Fight Ems. Ah, shit. Woo. I fell on my tummy. I'm dead. Do you know how much I sacrificed?
Damn it! Third place. Not bad. Not bad.
First place.
Considering my X wasn't working.
That's the worst killer I've ever seen. Oh no. I wish it wasn't a different reason.
Right. I'm gonna go back to lobby because I feel like we need the
Yes.
Mikus.
Oh, I guess we need that triple power.
I think we need that triple power. I feel like we're needing it.
But I hope your cat gets done masturbating soon, Bud.
I'm sorry, what?
Ooh, pardon me. Don't worry about it. Plug is some weird shit. Ooh, look at the hiccups.
Okay. Oh, you're sipping. Oh, okay. So you can't explain what you were talking about. You just go, oh, I'm sorry, I'm having a drink. Also, you
What?
need to ready up, right?
I don't know.
If you don't know, I don't know.
We have shared chat. You can see what they're talking about.
I'm pretty sure they don't know what you're talking about.
Why are you dehydrated, chat? Drink some.
It feels like you're trying to intentionally ignore what you said earlier.
No, they're redeeming shit for Tangia.
Oh, sure. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. It's chat's fault.
Patrick being
It's chat's fault.
dehydrated and yelling, "What bait is this?" Exactly what M said. Upskirt. I love it here. Can I say? I'm living my best life, and I'm just happy to do it with friends like these, like Warwick and M. It's wonderful.
Yes, I agree.
Wait, what you mean you can't hear M's? M's is perfectly... How can you not hear M's? Hold on.
I did have to put M's on 200% on Discord.
I'm gonna throw her up too.
Is that bad?
Yeah, it's definitely on the quiet end. I'd put in 200%.
Alright, 200% it.
Right.
There's a
Batman,
banana.
dance with me.
Maybe I have to tune it
Dance
up
with me,
on
Batman.
my,
Oh, fuck you, Batman. All right, whatever.
face whenever I'm talking Discord.
I can hear you a lot better now too. I think
Oh,
it
that's
should
much
be
better.
good.
Yeah. Right, where are we dropping?
Where are we going?
Wherever you want to, whatever you feel like.
I know I used to shit on people that played Fortnite, but honestly, I kind of like it.
It's good fun, isn't it?
I mean, that was just bullying the elderly now that I'm here.
Honestly.
Because I'm the
Bullying
elder,
them.
that's the problem.
Right, we're gonna free Miku's. We've got this, right? Can I drop quicker, please? Miku, can you drop quicker?
I don't think they do quick drops here.
Oh, but there's other people dropping it with us, though. Okay. I'm gonna get in this building here.
So many people in here.
It's fine. We got this. We got this. Believe. Right? We got this, okay? Chat, we believe, right? We believe. We got this, okay? I hear footsteps. This is going great. They're shooting already. Amazing. Let's go. Are we good? I hear no talking. Let's go. This is going great. Let's go. Woohoo. Let's
There's only
woohoo.
bots.
Bots. Bots are bots. Bots are still enemies. Thank you, Morton.
Usually only run around.
Oh, hang on. Wait, cat. Kitty cat. There you go. Oh, hello, short.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You know it's never good when you yell, uh-oh. You good?
There's two enemies. Root.
I'm snipping them.
Yeah, you shoot them on that end and we'll cover the end. Right, one's downed. And both down. Nice. And one more for the road. There's another group here. There's another group. Unless, yeah, I think there's another group. There's another group. I think. Be wary.
All right, we're wary.
I think there's steps coming from that building there. Yes, there is. Okay, one downed. Enemy team wipe. Nice.
Nice.
Ooh. All right, the light went away.
More people.
Oh, they're far. Okay.
The cheese.
Root.
What the fuck? Oh, that's an. Oh, you good?
No, we're not good, Root. We're trying to bang enemies. Yeah, we've been ambushed.
Wait, I don't.
We're both dead. We're both down. Root. Try to get M's up.
I'm trying.
Yeah, they're out. Yep. Oh god.
Don't move too far. That's it. Damn! It's alright.
Damn, they look country though.
It's alright. God, that one was so well and so bad so quickly. Oh, we had two groups. We were in the middle of two groups.
Yeah.
That's a bit unfair. Yeah, practice run, exactly. You do practice run halfway through playing
Sometimes
games.
we're playing with pros. I'm having a good time.
Are you trying to cope there, Root?
No, not really. I'm just legit having a great time.
No, we need
And
to
also,
win.
isn't it skill-based matchmaking? It's not like we're with like pros.
Well, no, actually, no. There's fun fact. No,
easier to
sometimes
do.
pros do play just the randoms. So you know, this is actually more sweaty. There are many sweats. In fact, everyone's so sweaty that we're the least sweaty.
Hold on, Captain America's talking.
Oh,
Damn. Captain America was very disappointed.
I still feel like you are playing your own game, Root.
No, it's
It's like, oh, everyone be quiet. Captain America's talking.
Plugin Armor thanks Ren just cheered 100.
Oh, that plays for me as
Tier
well.
100 having a great time. Walking
is
fast.
correct.
Eating ass
Walking
and
fast,
jamming.
eating ass.
Yeah, Ems, join us. Ems, join us. Don't Don't hurt Miku! Thank you. There you go.
Don't kill the Miku. I have an own drum. And not an oil one.
Wanna go?
I don't
Filled
mind.
with moisture.
I feel like everyone we've chosen has been bad.
That's true. We have not
it's
picked
because
the
of
best
new
places.
season.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm
Let's
good
do
with
pumps.
that one. Beep beep.
I mean, this is the thing when it's a new season, everyone's playing and.
Also, I genuinely feel like the later it gets, more of the West logs in, so like America and stuff.
That too.
Because it does feel like me and Rue got a win, and then it's sort of, and this is not on you ends by the way, because I know you joined halfway. But just for like as the evenings go and it's getting more sweaty. Right, we got this, right? We got this. We believe.
Who is Skip? Who is Skips? I'm so confused.
Again, you're playing your own game, Root.
I'm not playing anyone's game. They keep redeeming Tangia redeems I don't know anything about because
Stop
I'm too
reacting!
old.
Are you still in the air, Root, or is that someone else?
I'm a streamer. It's my job to react.
It's not your job, it's your job to lock in! Oh, there's people here, Ems, be careful,
I
Ems.
have a gun.
Yeah.
Right, someone's downed. But they might have a group near them, but just be careful. Root isn't moist enough. I hate when that happens.
Am I not moist enough?
Apparently not.
Damn, who's saying that?
Your chat.
What?
Your
You
chat.
told me to lock in, so I'm locking in, and now you're saying no, read your chat.
You can still read your chat. That's the sign of a true
No,
streamer.
I cannot.
Now we.
Well, I'm not. I'm no true nothing.
Who's saying that? Where am I?
It's never good enough for y'all.
No, agree not. And the sooner you learn that, the better for all of us, Root.
Depression.
Yep.
Cha-ching.
Isn't the best.
Why am I gathering car parts?
Um,
You're sweating. Relax. Calm down. Shut up. They're pulling a Star Wars on me.
Hello. Do you like my,
Fuck
do you
you.
like, do you
I
like my
like
wheels?
Star Trek more
Bludgeon Armor,
anyway.
thanks,
Hello,
Ren
mate.
just cheered 100 bits. Cheer 100, stop bully Root, she's just a little guy.
Bully.
Stop
It's
bullying.
a little guy. I'm not little.
Oh, Root, the shields.
Oh hell yeah. Got the sippies.
Okay. Have we explored everything in here?
So thirsty. I would say so.
Contrary Wick again. I don't know what you're talking about. Don't know what you're talking about, Doctor. Ah.
Doctor,
I could get
doctor,
like this.
give me the news. I got a
Ba-da-da-da.
taste of loving you.
Oh, big shield. Yoink.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
Yep. I just thought I'd just show
I was
you,
like-
Root.
Oh, there you go.
You're welcome.
Show you how it. Ooh. Warwick,
Yoink.
this is yours.
It
You
is.
like that shit. Yeah. Is that not what you want?
Always. Right, how much money do we have? Oh, I've got enough money. I'm going to buy someone.
All right. Can you like stop that?
No.
That's
They get-
really not very nice.
I spent
can't
gold.
jump over M's. God damn it.
Alright, the wall's coming in.
The wolves.
That'll do. Oh, there's a
I love how slow you're riding with that thing.
there's a chest. There's a chest. I love how there's 3 Mikus and then just this guy.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I'm coming. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I have another car bar.
Okay, Root,
What the fuck?
get on.
I'm on it. I'm on it.
Oh, this does not control well.
Oh,
To the left.
Oh, this actually might be a bit slower than walking. This is fine. You're welcome.
Why did you go so slow through the end? All right.
I thought it'd be a dramatic.
Oh, we're going through goo. I get it.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna...
You're gonna what?
I thought I could put on more health, but it don't let me.
What health are you trying to do?
The one that adds to my health bar.
Yeah,
One.
no, but which one do you have on you?
Everything you own in the box to the left.
Oh my god, Root, you're not helping
What
at
a
all.
moment. I'm feeling some kind of way. I already have a fever.
Look at that. Oh,
I'm running on some.
You are definitely running on something. Actually, does anyone sniper rifle?
I
have
like
one.
sniper rifles.
I don't do snipers. There we go.
Alright.
Right, let's stop moving. Disco fever. I'm waiting for the Warwick crash out. I'm not crashing out. I'm having a great time. Didn't mean to pause after that. I said that. I meant every word.
Oh my god, this is the FORTNITE equivalent of the Las Vegas Sphere. I love that.
Right, there's a lot of shooting going on. We need to lock in.
Yeah, you go put a knife in that chat. You put the queen can put a knife in it.
Root.
above.
I thought they
I
were
didn't know
bombs.
y'all were down.
I thought they were bombs. They weren't bombs. They were shields for the. I completely locked out. You got this.
People here?
Yes, there's people here. That's why we just got downed. They're inside the building. To your left, and you're right. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh shit! I didn't see them fast.
That was okay. It's alright. I thought I had bombs and I started throwing shields.
They look rad as fuck. They look rad as fuck.
How dare they kill
me,
Miku? Again, Root, who are you saying hi to?
I don't know. Someone in chat's trying to communicate with me.
Are they? Because I don't see it.
They're doing it through cryptic messages through Tangia.
I genuinely feel like you are in a different stream and game, and it's fucking hilarious.
I mean, what can I say? They use references from movies with me.
No, that's fine. It's just the fact that you're saying chat saying it. I'm like, I got share chat open. I'm like, I don't see what you're talking about. Like, I don't see anything about, what did you say, uncle or cousin or something?
Now they're erasing a part of the brain by making it smooth.
Okay,
No
Root
wrinkles.
has lost it. Because I don't see any of that.
Don't worry, it
Talking
was
back.
also behind my head. Even I had difficulty seeing it.
Yeah. Right, okay, I'm picking.
Smiling.
Here.
No,
drop now,
that
drop
one
now,
is horrific.
drop now, drop now, down, down, down.
Oh, hold on. There we go.
Oh, not there.
Thanks
Here.
for the.
Fuck it, just here.
Okay.
Oh, there's so many people dropping here. Right, okay, no. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. This one. Just keep going forward. Just keep going forward. That's so many people. No, oh, the cabin. No, it's doctor.
I have no idea where you are at your head.
I am
think
pinging.
I can track myself even better.
Pinging.
Pinging.
Yes.
Pinging.
Oh, got my favourite weapon.
Okay.
I'm just riding bullets.
You are doing something.
It's my my glider is bullets.
Okay, I think
There you go.
we picked a good area because I think everyone else went to the theme park.
There's a lot of jump spots here, so I think it's a good area. Easy escape.
I think it's quite good, yeah.
Money, money, money.
Money! Huh.
I love the country music in the background.
You have country music?
I think, yeah, when I landed, like, the location had, like...
Oh, yeah, yeah,
like,
yeah.
location sound.
Miku! Oh my god, Miku.
Miku, yes. Miku here. There's a revive station if y'all feel like dying.
I don't feel like dying at the moment with Vinky.
You're welcome.
Going after the sword.
It wasn't a lot here, was
I'm
there?
zooming.
Oh, sorry.
Got the sword.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Down, down, down.
Whoa! I'm fine. I just jumped out a window and not actually looked where it was going.
It doesn't sound like you knew where you were going.
I always know where I'm going, Root. When I have friends with me,
yeah.
then I can do anything. Or something bollocks like that.
True. I mean, yeah, sure. Let's see. I can't. Oh, alright, that was interesting.
Right. We somehow picked an area that's outside
Where does.
the walls again.
Not
So we
just that, it's like not filled with any like good shit whatsoever.
The storm is shrinking.
The storm is shrinking.
Yeah, Root. Get your ass over
I have a butt.
and get it over here.
I'm coming. I dropped into the
No, I didn't mean to do
water.
that.
What did you do? Oh, you just shit. Okay.
Yeah. I didn't mean to.
Thanks for letting us know, Ems. Appreciate it.
No.
All right.
I should move it. Oh, there. No.
All right. Follow the ping route.
I'm pinging.
No, you're not pinging, but follow the ping.
Yeah, I'm following the pinging.
Yeah, what's in
Got
here?
the sword.
Have you? Oh, what's over here? Oh, this has already been ransacked. Okay, let's be careful. People have been here. Humans have been here.
Are you sure it's not another troop of aliens wearing like Birkenstocks or something?
It might be. I'm just gonna go shower.
I wonder if Birkenstocks have
Can
been.
you? Sorry, Miki. Can I just? Yeah, give me a second. Thank you. I'm trying to shower here. Apparently, this is how I shower by beating
I
it
have
intensely.
no stolen goods. I just have loot.
That wasn't a very nice shower.
I have no.
No, what? Do you want stuff?
No, it's okay.
There's some weapons
Cat
there.
wanted me to pay with my blood. I'm not on my period yet.
Again,
Ooh,
I
that's a
don't
good
see
gun,
what you're talking about. Like, am I losing it?
Yeah.
Like, I legit do not see it in your chat route. Like, we got a shared
It's
chat. I do not.
You know that the meme of the Oblivion Guard that says "Stop criminal scum." That's what they did, and then it says "Pay the court of fine" or "Pay with your blood" or whatever. And I'm like, I'm not on my period. I have no blood to give. I have such regrets.
But
it's your fault.
oh, I see that. I see that comment. All right, okay. I'm not totally losing it. There's lots of
Oh,
shooting.
you
Oh,
love
they're
this
shooting.
one.
Why is there always shooting? Why do we go to places where they're shooting?
You want to shag, baby? You want to shag now or later?
Oh my
Root?
God, I'm so stupid.
Root?
I
We
love
good?
us to
We don't have too much gamer subs.
Or not
I
enough?
legit feel like I'm high on something. Ooh, shit.
Why shit? What's up, Root? What's up? What's up? What's up? Where are you?
I slipped. I wanted to get a gold thingy, but I didn't make it. God damn it.
Okay. Oh, there is a... There we go.
Now I need to walk all the way the fuck around.
We'll meet you up by the other side of the bridge where you are.
How did you know that's my favorite moment in all of Shrek?
What, where you meet at the bridge?
No, Someone redeemed. Someone better be dying. And someone said, I'm dying. Mike Myers is such a treasure.
Oh, seriously? Okay.
People up there or like...
What did
think
ran
so.
away?
Okay. Oh, there's a big shield here. Who wants to first go for it? I'm shielded up. Get up, Miku. Thank you.
Boom,
Ames,
baby.
pick up the shield. Because apparently Root decided to just ignore it.
Oh. I don't know.
It's fine. It's fine. Root, stop running
I'm
away.
still waiting
Root,
for
stop
another
running away.
attempt.
We want to stay in a group, ideally.
I'm
Ems,
sorry.
it's okay. We want to lock in,
fine.
remember? I thought we were having friends. Fun with friends. Or whatever you said.
True. Love your katana. He was in that? I never watched it though. Shrek or... What you mean that's what she said? Shrek you up? Oh well. Ignore me. I say a lot of shit.
I was ignoring you because I was like, oh wait, you're talking, something happened in your stream which I didn't know what was going on. So I was like,
It's
okay, that's fine.
Just act like I'm Delulu. It's good. It's a good thing to do.
Alright, everything's
I do
been
love the
ransacked
katana.
here.
It's snow.
Oh, that was you, Ems. I was like, hang on. Ooh, yoink. Right. Where do we want to go? We've got to be careful because I'm pretty sure wherever we're going to go, there's going to be a lot of people.
Just me or is the snow spawning? What the fuck?
The what? Root?
Chat knows what was happening.
Yeah, but I think we need to know. Oh shit, was there stuff there? Oh shit, there is stuff there.
Serenity.
Or is it? Or was it just lights? Oh, it's just lights.
Is this another Kill Bill location that I know?
It might be.
about? Still have never seen the movie.
It's very good.
Generous Glittergoth just resubscribed for 33 months
Generous?
at tier 1 with Prime. Glad I didn't miss stream. Your jumper is really cute.
Hi, Goth. Generis. What the fuck's generic? Generic. Welcome in. How you doing, Goth? How you doing? Thank you much for the faith.
I was going
I'll make sure I get a tag for you when I remember.
in the Lulu
Hi.
era with my folks.
Were you? I never would have guessed.
God damn it. I feel like you're being passive aggressive with me.
Aggressive? No, I'm not being aggressive. I'm being sarcastic, but not passive aggressive.
Honestly, at this point, I don't know the difference. I feel like the fever's getting to me.
That's
I'm
called
hallucinating.
hanging out with British people.
Who are these people talking to me?
British person. Okay, there's a lot of shooting going on. Are we good? I have
It
3
doesn't
double
mean that
shotguns on me.
Miku hates British people.
She does hate British people, but don't tell her.
Don't tell her I'm British.
Yeah.
Don't tell her I'm British.
I have 3 double shotguns. This isn't good. It's right if I don't have been a good Scott.
People over there.
Oh, nice, God, nice.
You're gonna
But yeah.
bring me to IKEA?
Yeah, so that's the new song from Wenger Boys. I'm going to Ibiza. No, I'm going to IKEA.
We're going to IKEA. Oh, yeah. We're gonna have a party.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Isn't that the song?
Like,
Yeah, Miku doesn't talk to British people, but nothing about British people talking to Miku, so that's fine.
True. It's a
There's a
one-way
car!
street.
there's a car!
There's one of them.
The ball.
Oh.
They're downed.
They're all
Nice.
down?
Oh. One of their party's still alive, by the way. Just be careful.
Okay.
Because basically how it works is in like trios or duos. Wow, that's a lot of gold. If they don't go down. It means one of their party members is still alive, potentially, or they might have a reboot card on them. Also, I'm going to make you up this car. I can't make you this car up. God damn it, the worst game ever.
I don't think I'll be able to recover from that emotional distress.
What's up?
Look over here.
Yes,
Behind
Lord
the rock.
Farquaad. It's like they're redeeming all the things I like.
Nothing wrong, but they're behind that rock.
We were talking about Lord Farquaad.
Yeah, there's their third party. Root, trying to...
Yeah.
We're trying to chase someone.
Okay. Oh, damn it.
There we go,
I'll
down.
just
Beautiful.
my Warwick.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're good, but we
Wow.
are in the
Big
open.
delay on Lord Farquaad.
Not to get more serious, but there's 9 of us, and there's 9 people left, 3 of us, which means potentially there's 2 other full groups, if not more groups. So we have to be careful. But we are in the circle.
Yay.
So now there's 8,
Sandy.
which means there's less. Which right? Okay, we need shields for you two. We need to try to find some shields if we can, or buy some. Oh. Okay, only small shield, but Root, what number is your shields at?
I have 50.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Whoever wants that first, big shield. Go for it, Ems. Oh, I hear big boy. Big boy, come on, big shield. Let's go. Root, can you? Oh, actually, I'll come to you.
I broke the window and I'm stuck. Ooh.
Okay, yes. I'll come to you.
I've lost my way.
Okay, don't lose your way, Root. We're gonna lock in. Oh, apparently they rezzed that person back, so they're now back to 9.
Sounds like an anime title. I broke the window and now I'm stuck.
Root, stop. Root. Get in here. Aim's getting here as well. Have that shield, that's yours.
Ooh, thank you. Sippies.
Okay, let's just hang out here.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay, chat. It's okay, chat. Damn, they shot you.
Actually, you know what? Let's. Okay. There's 6. So there might be 2 groups left. Let's go this way. Let's follow the circle. Get in the car.
Okay. Coming.
We're gonna follow the circle because. Actually, wait. No. We're gonna hold our ground. They should come to us from that way. So let's hold our ground.
I'm gonna go up the high ground.
Yeah, get high ground. Let's fucking do it. Let's get a high ground. Let's fucking hold our ground.
Yes,
Let's fucking do this, chat.
Liar. We are going to the high ground.
I can't get up. Miku. Okay. Do you want to get higher?
I'm up.
Money.
I'm up.
Money.
How do you get up?
Psycho_mom just resubscribed for 50 months at tier 3.
Is that 50 months?
Hi, friends.
Jeez.
Damn.
That's a lot of months. Thank you, Bim.
Damn.
Right, okay. Right. We want to look out this way. Okay. Hi, everybody. So we're just locking in.
They're over there.
Oh, over there.
No shield. Down.
So.
They hit one of their own party members. That's hilarious. Right, let's do this.
Let's see. I'll keep an eye on behind us to make sure we
Watch
don't
my
get
back. Watch my
fucked
back.
in the back.
Broke shield.
Yes!
Got it! Killed him!
Let's go!
Let's fucking
You made it work for
go! I bait them out! I'm came straight back again! Let's fucking go!
That was so smart. Let's go.
Like, I can see you two in the corner, just standing there. You two just standing in there, just holding your guns, like, all right. And I was like, I'm gonna bait them out. Let's fucking go. Wait,
I earned a victory crown. What does that mean?
you got a victory royale.
Oh, okay.
You have to win again to keep paying.
Yeah, how much XP did you get in match total, Root?
33,300.
Yeah, you got quite a lot. But well done.
Ew.
I got 142k.
That's a lot.
How much?
I have like 33k.
142k.
Damn. Oh, Root, that's because you got your first win of the season, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, so if you do first win of the season, you get like a lot at the first, and then you get not as much. You still get quite a lot.
Okay.
How are we feeling? Do you want to leave it there? Leave it on a high, or?
I mean, we can if you want to.
It's up to you. I don't mind. It is currently 11:15,
It's up
or
to you, lot.
15 minutes past midnight for you two, I think.
Yeah, I just noticed. I think it's
Yeah.
best if I go.
You know what?
I
That
don't
is
mind.
fair. We'll leave it.
Yeah.
We won. We started with a win. We ended with a win. Scratched everything else happened in between. That's fine. That was all practice.
I mean, we did have 2 battle royales. The first and the last were our only battle royales.
You say only? That is 2 on a stream. Some people can't even wish for that.
That's true. Wait,
And we did it
I
with
have
Mika's.
another item for the dog. I have another item for the chat. Hold on. I need to get them dressed because they're silly like
You need to
that.
get. Okay, let's wait. Oh, that's cute. Actually, what did I unlock? Hang on.
There we go.
There we go. Little cat harness. Little
We
orange.
did really good.
A pet expense.
Right, let's Miku it out.
Make a bean.
I don't think I have the Miku emotes at all. What the fuck? Where did mine go?
I think they changed some of it, but it's fine. I'm leaving anyway.
Okay.
I can make a bean.
But thank you for the game. That was really fun. I'm glad you were able to join in as well, Ems.
Thank you. Yeah.
It has been a lot of fun.
It has.
Thank
And
you for
2 victory
hanging out
royals.
with me.
No, thank you for hanging out. Appreciate
I can
it.
do it again sometimes if
Oh,
y'all want.
no.
I
no.
can only be on the... No? I guess I understand.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
I did hallucinate a lot during
You did. In
this.
fact, actually, I don't know what stream you were in. You were in a completely different collab.
I was collabing with myself.
That's the best kind of collab.
I guess so. You have to be Delulu with someone.
Exactly.
And why not yourself?
Exactly. Anyway.
So thank you for hanging out with me.
No worries. Oh, actually, are you going to go end now? Or are you going to yap for a little bit longer?
I am gonna end and like go get some sleep because
No,
I
no.
am very.
Yeah. No, that's fine. No, what I'm asking is, are you raiding anyone?
You probably.
Oh, okay. Don't raid me because I'll end as well.
What if I raid into you and you pick someone else? I'll do that. Hold
No,
on.
why didn't we do a double raid at the same time?
Wait.
No, Root.
I can't hear you over.
Cancel the raid. Wait, I need to cancel it. Wait, hang on. I'm sure I can cancel it. Wait, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't Root. Don't you dare. Root. I know you can hear me. Root.
Hi, everyone.
No. Cancel.
Bye.
Cancel.
Bye.
Cancel. Wait. Did I stop it? I didn't stop it. Fuck.
It's time for a moment to use their...
Oh, sorry. I got mute. Sorry, someone's raiding me. Sorry, someone more important than you, Root. Welcome in, Raiders.
It's okay. Pick the one that has the most importance to you. I will not feel sad or upset by that at all.
Root_VT just raided in with
No,
their
legit.
community.
I don't. That sounded sarcastic, but that
It
was
just sounds
for real.
far sarcastic.
I was like, that probably sounds not very nice, but I'm like, legit. Like,
It's
if you
fine.
have a preference and priorities, I'm not here to judge you. I'm just here to have a
Fuck,
good
fuck,
time.
fuck.
Isn't
I'm
that
too
like
cute.
how you say it? Did I say it wrong? Did my Europeanness like fail me?
Your Europeanness.
Yeah.
It
You
did
know
fail
what-
actually.
You know what
Yes.
I mean?
Do I? Ems, do you know what root means?
I didn't listen.
Exactly.
I paid attention.
That's exactly
something
what I
else.
meant. You don't listen to me, and that's okay. Because I understand.
I do listen sometimes, but also like I just listen to myself or my voice changes and I'm just like, oh, that's fun. So you know, as it
I
is.
did hear the
mean
voice
like
change.
You did change your hair, didn't you?
You're a penis, yes. You're a penis and reverse puberty.
Oh!
What did you do? Oh, it's Feliz. I was confused for a second. See? Whenever that happens to you, I don't judge you for it. You're just hallucinating on your side.
First of all, I'm not judging, all right? But when you start reading
that
these
exactly
random
what you
messages,
It wasn't reading. It was like a noise. So I replied to the
it was a
noise.
noise.
Yeah, I mean, what else can you call
I
Austin
hear noises
Powers
again.
being
I
like,
hear noises
You
again.
want to shag now or you want to shag later?
Not on stream.
Wait, I never said on stream. Damn, where's your head at?
I don't know. Apparently my voice is deeper.
Who's judging? How dare you all? How dare you judge?
There will always be judgment.
Always.
Healthy or unhealthy. I'm all for it. Someone has to do it.
Root, do you have a schedule? Or do you just stream whenever?
I play God. I stream whenever.
Okay, so Root plays God. What about you, Ems?
I
do it on a
try
Friday.
to stream on Tuesday and Thursdays.
There we go, chat. Check them out. I think I shouted them out. I think I shouted Ems out or Root out. I don't know. Root, Ems, you can shout yourself out. Root, you can't. You're going to ban you from my chat for raiding me.
That's okay. That's okay. It's happened before. It will happen again.
I know it's cool down.
Oh no, not that one. No, you just shout. You can. I think you can shout yourself out.
Yeah, I can.
I thought you said
That
shag
way.
yourself out.
Well,
What?
P-Mom can do it. There we go. There we go. What's up?
Your mom.
Oh, did I
Don't
not
shout out Root
follow
though.
you yet? There you go. Yeah, don't do shouting me out.
No,
Don't shout.
but they
I'm
raided
not
me.
happy when people shout.
Shout out to Ruth.
To Warwick. To Warwick.
To Warwick, yes.
Yes.
They did such a good job today. They're the only one that deserves to be shouted at.
Thank you. I do
Did
try
I
to
say
lock
that
in.
right?
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
I'm amazing. Yes.
Yeah, I guess.
What do we fancy raid wise? Any preferences? Because I can never choose. No, Warwick. No, I think I like League of Legends X. I don't think just nothing. Oh, I've now been muted.
Sorry, what did you say?
You sound so bot. You're like, oh, what do you want?
No, it was not you. Someone else that was interrupting me.
You're fine.
It's why I'm muted.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Right, okay.
Well, this is
Quick, get a
Lucia.
one.
You're so funny, Root.
I'm so confused.
No, we could have
What did I do?
raised someone, you bugger.
Oh, I didn't know that. I missed that part of the conversation when I'm muted. Someone needed my attention more.
You're
There's
fine.
another one as well, but we go.
Yeah, we're gone. Anyway, go copy my roller
Oh, wait,
messages.
I
Chat.
know who this guy is.
You know who they
Dang
are
it.
now, yeah?
I know them.
Is that a
Don't
good
worry
thing?
about it. It's a good thing. We're colleagues.
Root, I adore you, but you just make it sound so like, yeah, that's a good thing.
I'm
What?
tired. It's past midnight and I have a fever. Don't
It's okay.
judge me.
Apparently, I can't copy the message. What the hell?
What message do you need to copy?
I'm trying to copy my regular message, but I
Someone say
can't.
waffles.
I can't copy it. I legit can't. What is going on with my PC? Hang on, let me try to copy yours, Ems. Yeah, let me copy from Discord, maybe.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't work. What?
Oh no.
I can't control V. Wait a minute, I got it. Wait, I've got it. Well, I know what I can do. Wait, I know what I can do. Wait, hang on. Wait, if I go to commands, I know what to do. I can hack the system. We can hack the system, chat. All right. So I go to commands on my bot. I go to the raid. Where is it?
Hear that?
Hear what?
Thank God you didn't hear it. That really hurt.
And if I press that,
I will drink.
Wait, no, that doesn't work. Wait. No.
What you do? What are you trying?
For some reason, no, it didn't work. No, I for some reason thought if I did it as send streamer, it would make it work. It doesn't work that way because I can't do that in someone else's chat.
Can you not like copy?
No. I'm trying to press copy. No, it's just not letting me paste it in chat at all. Can I do it on? Hang on, let me see if I can do it on. Oh, I can do it. Okay, OBS is playing up. I can't do it on Discord. Not Discord. I can't do it on OBS. I'm struggling. Anyway. We're right out to Lucia. Or Lucia, however you want to say it. Apparently, people say it in different ways. Anyway. Root, Ems, thanks for hanging out. We appreciate it. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it very much. We will definitely game some more. Get some FORTNITE wins in. And get some stuff.
It's actually Lucia Day next week. St. Lucy.
Ah, clever. I had no idea what the hell you talking about. I was like, what? Lucifer, yes, that's the very same. Anyway, go right out to Lucia. I'm going to say hi to them.
My favorite YouTuber.
I'm going to mute you too. Thanks for hanging out. We appreciate you all. Guess how Lucia for us. We've got Discord event happening tomorrow in our Discord with X hanging out, doing some art stuff. If you want to hang out, that'd be fun. With the subs, gift tags, I will DM people who are missing out. I will do it over the next couple of days, all the gift tags and everything else. Thanks for all the love and support today, chat. Thanks for all the vibes. Appreciate you very much. We will play Observation Duty next week at some point. It's a new one come out and we will play that. But yes, please say hi, bye. M's Root. Go say bye or say last words before we end stream.
Oh, Root had to go.
Okay. Ems, last words.
Yeah. Buy gamer subs. 10% off with Warwick.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Bye, chat! Beautiful. Done.
Beautiful, yeah.
Good humor and vibes.
All right.
Yeah, I just couldn't copy and paste for some reason, but now I can. It's very odd.
If that's what they say in the hotline.
My stream is so delayed. Why is my stream so delayed for?
No, yeah. Terminal illness. Yeah. Grandma just died.
My computer's breaking down.
Have you tried fingering your pussy and recording it?
Oh, God. What's Lucia saying? Second I raid in.
Oh, my God. Why did we get a raid? I don't have my raid noise anymore!
Try fingering your pussy. 8/10 people find it helps lower their stress and heighten their libido. For more information, subscribe to
I wonder why I didn't play. I was like, what's the raid message not playing? In fact, Lucia's raid message isn't working.
I don't put the loose in Lucia! I turned off. Oh my God! I'm so sorry. I turned off my raid noise because it was super loud and super long, and it was pissing me off. Hi Warwick, thank you for the raid. Hello raiders, welcome in. Hello. I hope you are having a really good time. Oh my God. Oh my.
Anyway, thanks for hanging out. We appreciate it. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Ooh,
we'll get some more games soon.
Ooh.
Yep, absolutely.
Okay,
have a good night. Bye.
Hey. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. I need therapy. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, so I just one of my chatters was like, I'm either gonna finger my pussy and record it or commit suicide. And so I was like, I was like, hey man, here's the suicide hotline if you need it, man. Like, I'm here for you. I hope this helps.
I think
and then
the Fansley hotline.
Stop, dude. I'm venting, bro.
Okay, my bad. My fault.
Okay, so then, I was like, I was pretending, you know, to be on the hotline, being like, oh, like, you know, terminal illness. Oh, your grandma just died. Well, have you thought about fingering your pussy and recording it? And as I said that, I got a raid.
Yeah, that would do it.
And I just don't really know how to continue my stream. And also, this is my first sponsored stream. Do you think I should cut the VOD?
It depends. How many fingers was it?
2.
Oh, then no. I think you're good.